rusted motor.
This here is apparently it's made by Westinghouse. It has an Emerson Quiet Kool tag on it.
Did he really leave because he can't handle his own
No.
air quality?
No, I don't smell nothing, so we good over here, man. We're just...
Emerson Quiet Kool.
Dave happens to be very drunk tired right now.
This is off of a 20,000 BTU model, and it's definitely has some stiffness issues.
Oh, do you have the capacitor on hand?
No, do we need it?
Well, I want to. In order to get to these bearings, we got to clean all this rust off of here, and the easiest way to do that is to turn it on and
Yes,
just
I
use
would agree.
sandpaper.
Well,
So
it does. It should have the microfarad rating on here.
if you could get the capacitor so we can start it up.
Well, it's
that'd be
actually it's in
helpful.
the prints. I think it was a 10, actually 10 microfarads, I believe.
We do have the
It's something ridiculously high.
There's an air quality issue.
Yeah, well, it's fine now.
10 microfarad.
Okay. Do you have a 10 microfarads capacitor?
How about...
No, but I think that one upstairs was
Which one upstairs?
that one. That one with the double.
The
double.
the
one.
AMRAD I showed?
Yeah.
That was a 35.5.
Shit.
Beep!
Send it.
I have a couple other capacitors in there. We can check them. 10 is very high for this kind of stuff that I work with, so I don't think I would have that. Remember, I'm working with...
Well, we only need
Garbage
to.
from the
Well,
90s.
actually, I could put it on a freaking on a drill. I've done that multiple times.
And spin it up.
Yep. I've done that multiple
yeah,
times.
we could do that.
We have the
Just that and a
technology.
piece of sandpaper.
Yeah, I guess we could do that. This is just... It's going to take a lot to get this file down because this is really rusty.
Yeah, it'll be definitely be
So-
easier to run it, but
Well, let me
We're
see what
kind
I
of
got
at-
in the garage.
we're kind of at the mercy of. Yeah.
Actually, you know what? I might have a 10 in here
Find the way.
because
Yes.
I might have a 10 for...
Yeah, this is a dumb question, but do you have 220 down here?
Oh, right, that is.
Do I have 220?
Yeah, very accurate.
This is a 220 volt motor.
We'll have to work in the garage for a few minutes.
Okay.
I've been wanting to put a 220 in here for testing stuff, but I haven't got to it yet.
Oh, that's
What?
nothing. Nothing, because it's a stupid question.
No, I like stupid questions. What is it?
I was gonna say your split system that's gotta be 220, right?
Yeah,
But we're using it, so
I
we
think what I'm
can't.
going to do is I'm going to put it out there and just plug it into it. This way I can use the outlet if I need it for
That would
something.
work, yeah.
So it wasn't a stupid question.
No.
We were thinking the same thing.
See, that wasn't stupid. That was a very good question.
I was getting ready to give a stupid answer though, just in case. Don't do it.
Like I said, I am.
Here's a 10 microfarads capacitor.
450 V says, yeah, it's one of the specifications too. No shit.
Oh, you think I was going to give it to you if it wasn't?
Well, no, but
Yes.
no, I mean the voltage is yeah, it's all right.
Like I said,
It's an
I'm
interesting,
drunk
it's an
tired, so
very
we'll see if
interesting
this
looking
works.
capacitor, but if it works, it works.
That's not helpful though.
Yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna give you a clothespin. Use that.
So blue and white go to your cap. He's ever gone upstairs for this?
In the garage.
Okay, the garage. All right.
I
Well,
guess we could plug it in where the Christmas tree is, but it'd be inconvenient with the stove in the way.
no, we'll go in the garage. All right, I gotta stop up and get my freaking slippers.
Hurry up.
Take your time.
Hurry up.
Hurry up and wait.
Yep.
Wow.
That's a fun thing to do. Come on. Oh, hurry up and do something and wait 2 hours for the thing to get done.
That's like computers. Hurry up and wait. This camera's all blurry.
Welcome to having a crapple.
Well, anyway, so don't pause that yet.
I'm just focusing
This-
on
Hey, Grapple's good stuff.
it.
What is?
It works. We call it
Crown Royal Apple.
Oh,
Oh,
anyways,
the drink.
this channel fully endorses the Rotor compressor.
the
The
evangelizing
Rotor
rotor.
compressors from the 1990s, the best air conditioner compressor ever.
All right. Awesome. Let's fake What happened?
What did I miss?
Haven't you learned your lesson yet?
No, he will when he edits this and cuts out.
I don't edit them.
I don't either.
So whatever's in there is in there.
Correct. Same thing on this one. But I've learned to not leave my camera unattended.
That's right,
man,
fish
that's
Kevin's
Yeah.
out.
After that editing nightmare I had
The
that
worst is if Mike, we're talking about you. If you're the one we all gotta
gosh.
watch. We're coming back down here, right?
Yeah.
Eventually. Okay.
Yeah, leave it run.
Yeah, I don't feel like freaking. That means I gotta clip it.
Yeah, then we gotta edit it. That's
That's
stupid.
just like a pain in the
More
ass.
work.
Yep.
We're not willing to do.
I ain't got time for that.
Yeah, you know.
Here's what the ceiling looks like down here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's copyright, copyright, copyright.
I'll tell you what, it better not be cold out here. I'll tell you that right now.
Well, that's a whole different story with the heater keep getting shut off in the
Yeah.
emergency
Wonder
heat
why that
mode
would
and
be.
everything.
Yeah, I wonder why that would be. I did turn the radio off out here already when I was in here.
Okay, perfect.
See, I planned ahead.
That might be a problem.
Copyright.
So there is some music
Yeah.
that's playing
Wanna turn the
upstairs.
radio off
Can
quick?
you go upstairs and turn off the radio before we get a?
Bruce Springsteen will definitely get us a hit.
Yeah,
100%.
that bass line will
Oh,
get
yeah,
picked
for
up
sure.
very quickly.
100%.
So we'll just have to keep talking until
Yeah.
he turns
Keep
off
talking
that radio.
obnoxiously this for me. It shouldn't be that hard for us to do
Yeah.
because we all notoriously talk a lot.
Yeah, well,
But
some
the
of
good
us are
news
pretty
is,
loud.
The good news is it shouldn't take Van too long to get up there and kill it.
Right, if it was Kevin, we'd have to be talking for about 20 minutes before that radio gets turned off.
We're gonna be talking so much about that just to kill time order.
But the good thing about Kevin is that when he does work, it's always done correctly the
Yeah,
first
oh, yeah,
time.
yeah,
So
absolutely.
there's nothing to be said about it. All right, we're good.
Good. Oh, thank God. All right. Well, this freaking monster's in taking up most of the space. So
Can we just work on the side of it?
yeah, we can use this as a desk too. Yeah, we can work on the side of it. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, if that was my machine, I'd be mad if somebody was working on top of it.
Depends on what they're doing.
Well, we're going to be making a mess.
Then yes, I agree.
It's not too bad in here.
No.
It could be better, but
Oh,
you
yeah,
know,
it
that's a
would
different
be
story.
better. I'll move that off to the side if possible. I'll put the heat gun away. That'll save us a little bit of space. I should have put it away earlier, but I did not because it was still hot.
Well, that's good. You don't want to burn the box.
You definitely don't want to burn the box or the bench
Or the cabinet that it's in.
or the house.
Yeah, that would turn this into an expensive project.
Be like, oh, Brian, this is an expensive air conditioner. Oh, man. Yeah, you can tell it's getting late.
I do my best work between 12 and 4.
Yeah?
A squirrel would shoot this apart. What a pain in the neck.
You gotta cancel that squirrel out.
Well, we're getting there. Here's the tachometer.
Yeah. What's that measure? CFM?
RPM.
RPM.
So, but actually what we could do is we can use the anemometer to measure the wind speed, and then if we calculate the area, we could then calculate the CFM.
I don't think Dave and Van are joining us.
Well, then we're going to work without them.
Yeah. I have no idea what size this is. Trying to figure it out.
Is that extension cord long enough, or do we need a longer one? The 220 extension.
Oh, that should reach.
Are you sure? I don't think it's very long.
Oh yeah. It'll reach. It's gonna be close.
I have a longer one.
I really don't want to unplug that heater, but that's the only 220 line in it.
Yeah. Well, it's not going to drop that quick because there's no air conditioner running at this
Oh
point.
yeah, good point. Yeah, it should reach. It was amazing to me how cool this freaking plug runs. Yeah,
Is it good enough?
that'll get us pretty damn close.
I got this one, which is much longer.
All right, that's cool. Whatever works. Ow.
Might make it a little bit easier.
Yeah, longer cord. better for the job. Not a big fan. Here, let's do
We're having a grand old time.
feel like I can hear you two talking smack up there. Yeah, we can just cut the terminals. I can put new spade connectors on at home.
Okay.
That'll make it easier. We can just wire nut the.
We could just put some blank leads on there.
Yeah, exactly.
And then we'll just stick it into the plug, which is the easier way to do it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I finally found the right comb. It was only the last one I tried.
Which else would it be?
Yeah, how about it?
Oh. Why did you wrap the 220 cord around the camera cord?
I didn't mean to. I can unscrew that quick, hang on. Wasn't my intention. Sometimes shit just happens and works out that way. Trying to give it extra conductivity.
You're gonna need a cord for your camera?
Is my battery light on?
No, I'm not sure.
That should be alright for now.
Okay. You and Dave having a grand old time up there? Making a lot of noise.
Yeah, it's almost like there's a party going on. We're not invited to it.
It's not very nice.
No, I feel kind of insulted actually.
It's an emergency situation. Turn on the air conditioner.
Better not. You can walk home tomorrow.
That's fine. I'll take my time. I could use the exercise.
You say that again. Oh man.
You guys work on the fan motor?
No,
Yeah.
we're working on straightening out the coil.
Well, that too. But
I love the two camera setup. That's great.
doing it
cracks me
stereo,
up,
man.
Technically, we now have 2 stereo tracks. We could make a quadraphonic mix out of it.
We could. We could. That goes without saying.
You missed us turning on the camera.
Beep.
Camera.
Beep. Gotta get 2 beeps or 2 cameras.
All right, so.
I love every time we do it. You're like, Jesus Christ, not
Where the
again.
hell's the motor?
Huh?
Where the hell's the motor?
The cast is still
Oh.
damn it, you found it.
Behind it.
I was gonna say the cast is still disappearing.
So. Let's see. Wires.
There is a pair on there.
I'm sure there is. I'm just too blind. It's probably, if it's any closer to me, it probably bite me.
See, I
Freak,
have to
jump
say
out and bite me in your
anything.
Yeah,
face.
it's very, very close to you right now. It's so close.
Dude,
If it was-
I must be freaking.
It's within like
Welcome-
4 inches
Welcome
of your
to the
hand.
club of being blind when it's right in front of your face. God, it happens to me every time too. Without
I'm feeling really freaking stupid right now because I ain't freaking
Welcome
seeing
to
it,
the
dude.
club.
That's, yeah, me, yeah, welcome to my world.
The tool, it's right. It's there. It's right there.
Dude, I'm
Man,
not seeing it.
the tool does not exist.
Y'all are screwing me.
No, it's right there.
I'm not the one that's telling you.
It's in both camera
I'm
frames.
sympathizing with your situation.
This?
Yep, there you go.
That don't look like any pair of wire strippers I've ever seen.
Oh, that's what they are.
All right. You know, I'm used to the freaking Kleins.
Well, those are inside.
All right, so white and blue go to your capacitor.
Oh, we're gonna need the oil.
The one with the
The
long
zoom spout, yeah.
Gotcha. Wow.
And the sandpaper that's in the same box as it.
Okay.
It actually works pretty good for small gauge wire.
Yeah, that's why I like those.
All right, we need the capacitor.
Where's the capacitor?
Right here. Better be right there.
Two of these pieces of garbage.
I haven't seen one of these in a while.
Probably better off.
Yeah, if it works, it works.
It's fine for low current. People use these to wire outlets in houses, and I just
Yeah, I
can't,
don't trust it.
I can't see that. It doesn't make a really good firm connection.
It's actually not, these wires ain't strong enough for me to push it in, it's just crunching up.
Well, you got to open it.
These ain't like the ones I've seen. Oh yeah, look at that, these are different. These are better than the ones I'm used to. I've seen, they used to make the ones at Lowe's that were yellow, and you would just slide it in and it would grip
Oh,
it.
that's no good. It's still not open.
There you go.
It actually will open all the way, and you shut it again.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, buddy. To be
Oh,
honest.
I don't like these at all, but it opens like this.
Yeah, I figured
Like
it
all
out.
the way. I wouldn't trust these for any significant draw.
Yeah, these are better. These are actually a major step above what I'm used to seeing.
That's
I'm used to the ones
fair.
you pop them. They're so good for solid wire only, but oh, thank you.
On your left. Yay.
All right, so
Somebody-
10 microfarad capacitor. Go high, obviously, right?
Yeah, I think so. Oh,
that'd be-
let's get you want to grab a pellets bag? Because we're gonna make a mess on the table here.
Oh, okay, got it.
Actually, white's got to go a line too, so we're gonna need to put a third.
We gotta get another piece of
Yeah.
wire. Is there any wire to the right of in between where that fan box is and the Christmas tree? To the right of where the fan box and the Christmas tree is on the table. To the right of the fan box and the Christmas tree.
The
That's
box.
the left.
The other-
The right.
The
other
right,
right.
of the fan
Your other
box
right.
in
Over
between
here.
the right and the Christmas tree. In between the Christmas tree and the fan box.
Oh, hold on.
Jeez.
The box.
It's hidden.
That's why I gave you very specific
Well, I'm
directions
also
to where it is.
drunk, tired, so
We are all
That
100%
sounds like
sober here.
that sounds like a bunch of excuses to me.
to tired and
Well, wake up.
things do not make
What-
sense to me. It's like in front of you. No, I'm gonna turn around and go behind me. 'Cause
What are you filming?
I'm taking a picture.
What are you taking a picture of?
The Bradfords.
The Rotorex?
Yeah.
Send it on the
I
only.
knew it.
Yeah, I guess
You-
you.
You
guess
like-
so.
you like those too.
High would make the most sense, wouldn't it? I think.
What would?
High.
Yeah.
Get that in freaking stereo. You need one on that side, one on the other. Then do that one. You can mix it for quad. That would actually probably sound pretty cool.
Yeah, it might.
That's definitely too much. Have to cancel some of that
Yeah,
out.
just cancel some of it off.
I think we got these high quality. What?
What
So it
brand are
doesn't
these?
fly across the room.
These are Gardner branded. Actually, it's a very good quality brand.
Copper.
No, it's not copper. It's Gardner Bender.
It's copper. Well, that's copper.
You're
Maybe.
copper.
Or is it zinc? Could be aluminum.
I'm
too.
rubber, you're glue.
Glue sounds pretty good about now.
Well, he's too young.
Yeah.
Yep.
Never mind, Dave.
That was before my time, I tell you what. Back
Yeah,
in
it
the
must
old
be.
days.
That is an old one.
A long ago.
See, I'm gonna get mad
Very getting mad.
because I'm trying to fit two freaking. I strip more wires off, and it's taking more time.
That's Jordan's job.
Yeah, that's Kevin or I to take
Or
all the
yeah,
time.
Kevin. Yeah, it's yeah.
You guys know me. I don't have any patience.
Yes.
You should know better than that by now.
So I'm surprised you were straightening fins on that. Because that takes a lot of.
I think all he was doing was just trying to find the right size coil comb.
I was just killing time.
It's also that wire's probably way too thick for this location, I would assume.
Which
There's
wire?
only thick wire over
You know what
here.
happens
Yeah,
when
it's
you
not the
assume,
best
Dave?
piece.
Yeah, well, I do that a lot, so.
That's not good.
I know. But it does make for some very funny outcomes.
Sometimes.
True.
So. And funny outcomes make good content.
They do.
That's also true.
I mean, I'll have to unplug the 220 line quick.
I'm gonna take a bathroom break soon.
Yeah, I'd say so. Sweet shit. Literally.
Don't even go there.
Yeah, if Mike was here, he could explain a few words about that.
Well, he can explain it in the comments box. I think that's plugged in.
It is.
Zap.
The zap.
It's 100% plugged in.
Well, actually, I'll put a couple drops of oil in there first when it's off, see if we can get it to free up, and then
Fair
we'll turn it
enough.
on. Because I don't think so that it's gonna run.
Damn, Dave couldn't even take the freaking rubber cap off for us.
It's plastic.
Plastic cap off for us.
Like
It goes on
Oh,
there
yeah,
so
no.
it doesn't get lost.
Dude, ain't nobody got time for technicalities on rubber versus plastic, alright? Come on now.
We got all the time in the world. I don't know what you're talking
We're
about.
taking our time.
Just moving on.
You gotta take the spout like most of the way out before the oil will come.
That's convenient.
More.
More.
I was gonna pull all the way out. Come on. There we go. That's more like it, huh?
I do the same thing.
What is he doing now?
Just click it.
Oh, we could kick on they're using the 220.
It's probably
Oh, it's starting.
dead man on it.
Yeah. Just get some on the other side and that should free it up enough just to get this operation completed.
If they want to use that.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Hey, they hear an AJ file.
I only want to hear Rotor X start up.
Well, you can
Hey,
just
nobody
explain
got
it to Rotor
time.
Rex.
Nobody here got time for no AJs, okay?
Rotor
You
X
just gotta-
only.
You just gotta mentally swap it.
Yeah, we should put a sign, parking for Rotor X only.
Russ,
Road
you know what
Rex
you have
lovers.
time for?
Huh?
The AJA album. Asia.
Asia, Steely Dan.
Yeah.
That should go.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Might be a little
Oh, it's dripping oil over the table.
bit. We'll clean it up.
That's why I wanted to put that bag down before the
No, well,
because the shavings are gonna get everywhere.
Alright, fair enough. Where's that?
Now you're
this
running out of
bag here?
battery here. You want to get a power cord for this thing?
is it upstairs?
I have no idea.
I'll need a US, yeah, it's up, hooked up to my computer.
I got one by the health stove.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
I'll be back.
It'll last until he gets back. Oh
I
my
might
god.
not.
Yeah, we definitely have an air pollution problem. I want to turn that air conditioner back on vent. Use a vent feature.
Yeah, because that'll really exchange a lot of.
Yeah, it's like the Tom Blair song.
Probably exchanges about as much air as a fart in the first place.
Yeah, make sure that don't touch any metal.
Yeah, make sure it don't touch the drill press. I think it's plugged in.
It is plugged in.
That'd be a nice ground fault. That's got some torque to it. Holy cow. Alright, now we have to work kind of quickly because the motor has no cooling, so it's just going to overheat in a couple minutes.
We'll overheat that fast.
Yep.
Alright.
Where's the sanding paper?
Dave did have it. He bought it over. Here it is. This part should be self-explanatory. I'm guessing.
Yeah, but there's some people that will still need to...
It helps I hold the motor.
Seems to be okay. This is very, very dirty.
Dude, you should have seen the condition of that unit. I actually think you did, didn't you, when you were over?
Which one is this?
It's an Emerson Quiet Kool dynamic that had a new base frame installed. Or a fabricator or some shit.
Here we go.
What's the brother update? You don't know? That's a lot better doing with a freaking drill hooked up to the end of it.
Yeah, this is worked over.
Look how much shit's coming off of that.
It's all rust. According to Kevin, if we don't put WD-40 on the sandpaper, it'll clog. Which I believe him, but I still to this day don't know what that means.
It's still recording, right?
hope so.
Disaster happening.
Did you bring out all the pieces of sandpaper?
No, just that. That was,
I
that was the coarse.
to a finer grit.
Oh, yeah. Okay. I figured you want the coarse stuff in the beginning for a while.
Yeah, I do.
And then just hog it down.
Thank you, Dave. That battery one should go away then once that's plugged in. There should be some kind of notification like a power source is out.
Man in the way? No, surprisingly not.
I already canceled the battery thing out.
Alright, I'll get the rest of the sandpaper.
This is cleaning up pretty
That's a
good.
fine looking shaft.
Yeah, that looks better after we polish it too.
That's what I would feel good.
Is the motor getting hot at all yet?
No.
Probably has enough mass, it'll take some time to heat up.
Try not to look at the wire.
Oh yeah, that'll wear through. I guess we can do the other side of the shaft while we wait for the second grit paper.
There's that. I don't want this. I don't want these wires to touch anything either.
Oh, those are, that makes sense.
There we go. So we're turning around?
Yeah.
Turn around. Someone ought to get that.
Oh good, this side has oil on it so it won't clog up.
Finer grip. Right here, behind it.
Where is it?
Just two tubes of like.
Oh perfect, that's what I wanted.
Yeah, just what he wanted.
This would have taken a long time to do with a drill.
Actually pretty comfortable in here. I'm gonna keep it.
Does that motor sound okay, you think?
Yeah.
Starting to get a little bit of noticeable heat, but it's not nearly to the point of being harmful yet.
Okay.
It's thermally protected anyway.
If needy, we could just put a small dustpan on it. There should be one in that by the door. That stack of boxes that's about to fall over.
Here's the old dude yet.
Yeah, that one. Sure, that'll reach. You can plug it in over here.
You got a spare plug? Or outlet available?
Yeah. For you?
Well, when you're ready, I'll hand the plug over.
Oh, I have to plug it in?
Oh, he's working here.
I'm busy.
I don't want to rip your cord out of your camera.
Here, I'll let this go for a second.
The shaft is getting pretty hot.
There we go. Fan acquired.
Now you're asking for a lot.
I do sometimes.
It's not plugged in.
What? I just, see, this is a stupid tamper-resistant outlet. This is exactly why I hate these things. They don't plug in right. piece of crap outlet.
Whoops. Oh, you got lucky you didn't get lit.
Yeah, I just got very lucky. You know why? Because I'm standing on carpet.
I'm sure that helps. Oh shit.
That's got some serious
Oh, yeah.
torque.
Here, you do this.
It's a little up the line force motor.
That'll work. I can't believe I didn't just get zapped.
I can't believe it either. You got lucky.
I gotta catch a break at some point.
Yeah, it's like that it's gonna focus. That iPhone is notorious for freaking getting out of focus on that.
Is it in the focus?
Yes, it is. Somehow.
And the motor's still in print.
That's two miracles right
It's in frame enough.
there. It's what?
In frame enough. It's fine.
I'm trying to move without tripping over and cracking.
I got like no fine motor control at all.
Let's see how this looks. That's really pitted.
So what, you can't get that, you won't be able to get it apart like that without cleaning?
Well, the problem is we don't want to slide the bearing over a coarse surface because it'll score the inside of the bearing.
That makes sense.
If we've sanded it down enough, it'll slide over this and it won't be a problem. I'm just not sure if we're there yet.
Okay.
I don't think we're there yet over here.
That shaft's pretty rough, man.
Yeah, this is in bad shape. Well, I think we're getting close. We'll do a little more over here and then we'll try it.
Okay.
This
Thing's got a lot of freaking. Oh, it's a 1/3 horsepower motor.
That's a lot of power.
Yeah, for a window air conditioner, that's pretty beefy. This one was 20,000 BTU unit though.
Alright, we'll give that a try. I still can't believe I didn't just get lit
This
up.
side you think's pretty that should clear it.
Yeah, as long as we took down the outer diameter just a hair, it's good enough.
Okay. We'll go back to this side, you think we're good for now?
Yeah, I think we're good for now.
Yeah, that's the furthest I've ever had to go on one. New base pan.
Yeah, no, I've never seen that done before. It worked out good.
What is this made out of?
Steel.
Yeah, 1/16 steel.
That's pretty solid.
Oh yeah. It's probably stronger than it was originally, honestly.
I think so.
Like I said, I
That's
did
like
two
what
drain
the
holes on it,
50s
so. Yeah, I think the electrical components will fail before the framework does this time.
Yeah.
I don't know how much, I'm not gonna lie to you, Brian, if you're watching, I don't know how much life this motor has left in it. So you might be calling me back in a couple of years to give you a new fan motor, but hopefully it'll last.
I don't see why it wouldn't last.
No.
I mean, it's not, the bearings, there's yeah, those getting pretty hot.
It's got some play.
Yeah, there is some play to it.
Dude, if you've seen how that base pan look like, you know this thing has insanely high hours on it.
But you know, it could run for 15 years like this. Who
Oh yeah,
knows?
definitely.
We're going to fill it with oil, so the wear is going to stop at this point. It's not going to get any worse.
That does not have oil ports, right?
Nope.
No, okay.
No, it's
It's one of those stupid
If it did, we
permanently
won't be taking
sealed.
it apart.
Yeah, you can bring that back inside.
So there's no right way of doing that without actually taking this motor apart.
No, this is not meant to be serviced, unfortunately.
Okay. We're gonna service it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's just what we do.
I try to avoid replacing fan motors anymore unless I absolutely have no choice, because most 9 times out of 10 it turns into a bigger. It doesn't run right. There's some specification is off.
Well, the original motor is a better quality build, anyways.
Yep. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna cause a ruckus.
Yeah, ruckus in the fan motor department.
Okay, you want to unplug this camera?
Camera.
You want me to? Let's hand you the cord. It's front pocket find right there.
There's an outlet tripper.
Yo. You like those?
A GFI tester.
Yeah. That's GFI tester. That's freaking gold. I like it. Oh, that's freaking cool. Check that out.
Yeah, it's got different gauges.
Yeah, I
on
didn't
it.
realize that. I'm like, yeah, it's good for one size. So my comment is actually completely false and inaccurate. That's freaking neat. I've never seen anything like it.
Do you like that set of strippers now?
Yeah. I did not like it before. I just didn't understand it.
Okay, here we go. Going back in.
Yeah. Get to view the ceiling again.
Yo, take a look at my ceiling.
The ceiling shot.
It's all
Gotta
blurry.
cancel that out.
Oh, ceiling's kind of important.
Colin Jordan will wake up in the morning and want to walk out into the living room, will drop right down into the garage. What the hell happened to my ceiling? I canceled it out.
It had an oopsie moment happen.
It expired.
Expired.
Here's that box where the fan was.
Come on.
You want me to get the door for you?
Oh, I can get the door.
You guys at least have one hand. I have no hands.
Well, I was going to bring your camera too,
Oh, why don't you say so?
because you grabbed it and seemed to want to bring it yourself.
Oh,
Hold on. Let me go.
imposters.
Hurry up, it's cold out.
Nonsense, Watson.
Beautiful.
Oops.
That's the varnish. That's important. This should have gone back where it belongs, and that wouldn't have happened.
What is
It's
it?
on me. I didn't. That was the winding varnish, which we're actually going to use.
Oh,
Here's what the ceiling looks like.
Yay.
oh yeah. Good view of the ceiling. Very good view of the ceiling.
The ceiling's important.
Without the ceiling, we don't have a floor or a roof.
Correct.
And no heat or no cooling. Which also means no rotor wrecks. Oh my god. Oil is returned. Oh, yeah, put the cap back. We're gonna use oil again.
Okay, I'm going to take a quick bathroom break.
Sure.
I'm
Go
gonna
for
leave
it.
my camera unattended, which is the wrong thing to
Oh,
do.
jeez.
So whatever.
I'll make
happens
sure nobody messes with
within
it.
the next couple minutes does not necessarily represent the views of this channel.
Okay, that was funny.
The views expressed from this point on are not Jordan's, allegedly.
Rotor X.
Snape, Snape. Server is Snape. Snape, Snape. Server is Snape. Dumbledore!
Well, at least you're not the only one. See, boys, it ain't just me who's drunk tired.
I'm going for a drink. I'll be right back.
Shit.
We should have paused this, but we're not going to.
No.
Let's see what these two freaking bozos do when I'm gone.
You're welcome.
It'll give me something to look forward to when I watch my own content.
No, just almost knock over a shelf full of phones.
Yeah, and all land on your head too.
Best part. That's my favorite.
Yeah, I need a VTech set or a Unedit or some shit. Jordan said he might have one for me, but
Okay.
because I'd like to have a landline telephone that's doesn't blow up with fucking notifications about emails and.
I just put an old school rotary phone in with no voicemail box.
Yeah. Yeah. It
You
is
know,
like that.
you either pick up the phone or the call don't go through.
Right. Time keeps slipping, slipping, slipping
Into the
into
future.
future.
I want to fly like an eagle to the sea.
What is that mysterious snapping sound?
Maybe. That's what we're gonna
It's
classify.
kind of
as.
catchy.
Retarded.
That's a
Snape.
foregone.
Snape. Server is Snape.
Yeah.
You ever see that video?
Yeah. Yeah. Dude.
That's a blast from the past.
Yeah. Shit.
Ron Weasley. Hope he's going back. Let's behave.
Totally nothing happened.
No, I left too, so I don't know what the hell's on there.
Oh gosh.
Nothing much. Maybe like some of my brain ain't working.
Yeah. No.
So,
There's a shocker.
too tired. Hey, sometimes it works.
Hey, it's funny. We're both in the same point. We are both in the same exact point in this video. We both started recording at the same time, didn't we?
Yeah.
So if you actually play these back and start them at the same time,
It's the same thing.
it's off by like a second.
They'll be in quadraphonic.
Yeah, that'd be freaking cool. That would be cool, wouldn't it? To watch them both at the same time.
Yeah. Totally.
Someone just has to mix it then.
It's possible.
Russ is like, maybe.
Snape. Server is
Whack.
This would be the time to do that.
Yeah, it's quiet.
It would be.
Yeah. Silence for 10 seconds.
I should have. I'm freaking get real quick.
People have no.
Wake up,
Yeah, well,
everybody!
well,
Wake
people
up,
don't-
everybody! Wake up, everybody!
People don't have an attention span anymore, so if there's silence for more than 5 seconds, they'll skip ahead anyway. Jump ahead or whatever.
That's a problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're used to all these stupid shorts.
I honestly would not hold it against him for skipping over the last 3 minutes of that video.
No, I'm sure there's something entertaining in there.
I'm sure there is.
Yep.
I mean, it's us.
I don't know if I qualify as entertaining, but something might have happened.
No, honestly though, like as far as like personally for us, these videos in 30 years are going to be complete gold.
Yeah. Yeah, they
No,
are.
it will, because think about it. Some of the best videos on YouTube are the homebrew stuff like this from 2008.
Yeah,
This
definitely.
is the equivalent to that in this point in time.
Right.
And these types of videos that are, fairly unedited, just home
Natural.
type content is a dying breed.
It's kind of crazy.
This is exactly like I know you guys might not believe it. None of this is rehearsed. This is like just how it is when you get
Yeah,
this group of
is-
people together.
We keep it real with you guys. This is all real.
Did someone fucking shit their pants?
Maybe. That can happen sometimes.
Dave, oh my, now you freaking
No,
stink.
that's from me. It's those quesadillas.
Okay.
Oh,
I thought that trip to the bathroom would clear it all out, but it didn't.
Man.
Air quality alert. Gas mask engaged.
Pollution.
we got some
pollution.
serious pollution going on here.
Clean up in the studio.
Yeah, clean up in the studio, guys. Clean up in the studio.
Pollution.
See, this is the type of stuff that this website was created for.
None of this Hollywood style
Jordan's
garbage.
ass is air pollution.
You want this thing fixed or not?
Yeah.
Maybe. Eventually.
Yo, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I freaking already cleared my own self out of the fucking room before, so I have no room to fucking talk. You know it's a bad one. You're like, oh, that was a go. Oh my god.
I can't relate. It does not affect me at all.
As a former coworker used to say, if you can't stand the smell of your own brain, it's pretty bad.
Oh yeah. One coworker, freaking Dan, farts into the freaking microphone on the two-way radios all the time. You'll be like working on something, you're it's just freaking. I always pick it up like, dude, one day you're gonna shit your freaking pants, and I'm gonna laugh my freaking ass off. Those quesadillas were banging though.
Yeah, I need to get some of that buffalo wing sauce.
That's excellent sauce.
Frank's Red Hot. I put that shit on everything.
And there's nothing like weird in the ingredients. It's pretty clean too. Okay, so the motor is clear to come apart now,
Yay.
except for all the rust that's holding it together.
Imagine that. Like, sorry, Brian, we're gonna have to cancel out your motor.
I have never totaled a motor in 11 years of doing this.
Cool.
So if we cancel this one out, I'm going to be very upset. This is very, very rusted together.
This video is technically part of my, this is going to be step 12 of my restoration series for the Emerson Quiet Kool Dynamic, 20,000 BTU. So by default, it's probably not going to get many views, but the people that do view it are in for a freaking treat for the commentary.
Yeah.
Agreed 100%.
No, I mean, opening one of those motors when it's like that is like...
This will be one of those videos, and it'll be like, dude, the commentary.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no, I'm sure people will mention it.
Just play it in the background, just...
Someone will share the video on some Facebook page or some shit like that. I'll be like, yo, just go there for the commentary.
I'm sure it will be. Somebody will look up how to service
we
a
did do
Westinghouse
enough.
motor.
Oh, yeah, we did.
We'll get this to be mirror finish again by the time we're done with this.
They're both in frame.
That's like
Excellent.
when, Tom Hanks was smashing the coconuts against the rocks. That's how he was making one of those.
You're a coconut.
I love... No, actually,
The remnants of the stink bug.
Ugh, I
Stink
hate
bug.
those things.
yeah, those
My
can
stomach
catch
Which
Which
one.
stomach was that?
That was me.
You're next.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this is pretty crusty, but we'll get it to be good again.
Stand by to clear the room.
Make this Emerson Quiet Kool again.
That it will be. Now in this case, actually we didn't have to take that off. This should just come.
Yeah.
Is it hitting the windings?
I don't know. Hopefully not.
I'm not sure we got this clean enough.
All the
now.
rust.
Alright, I was actually getting ready to rip a good one for the camera, but if I do that, I'm actually legitimately going to shit my pants, so I'm going to disappear for a minute. Do you ever have that? You just like, oh, that's not a good idea to push that out. I'll be back.
No?
We interrupt this programming to bring a
The
special
rotor X that again.
The Rotor X compressor is the best compressor ever made for an air conditioner. And the official view of this channel is that the Rotor X compressor is better than the Tecumseh B series, the Ba series, the Tecumseh S, sounds like a snake in here. It's better than the AE compressor. It's better than the AK compressor, the QL compressor, the LVW compressor. It's better than Copeland, Bristol. What are some of the other ones?
Westinghouse Electric.
Westinghouse Electric,
Bendix, air brake,
Bendix,
Westinghouse, CH model.
CH, what
another
are the
one.
other ones?
Daewoo, Toshiba.
Daewoo, Toshiba, Matsushita,
Carlisle.
Carlisle. The Rotor X is better than all of those compressors.
GE.
General
Can't
Electric.
forget the-
General Electric pales in compared to Rotor X. Now we'll return to the regularly scheduled programming.
Of taking a motor apart. That's not a Rotor X.
So the motor is
It's garbage by default. garbage. Question: do those have oil seals on the motors at all,
Oil
or they just
seals.
have kind of for like an axle for a car or spindles and stuff?
Well, so it has. I'll
Is
show it in the
It's
video.
got oil on it. Well,
It
obviously.
has. This is too dark to see. I'll show it on my
And it's
camera.
out of focus. But
It has a. You can see it probably better on the camera screen. There is a. Can I just show the camera screen to this one?
no, here I can tilt it down.
It's still blurry.
Here, I'll just hold it up to it and just.
Okay, yeah, but it's all blurry. There we go. Okay, so it has around the outside here. There's a wicking material, and you can see the wicking material has a hole in which it passes right there, and so that wick will pass oil onto the shaft through that hole. So it has kind of like a continuous lubrication system. It's just not the greatest.
And there's no seal there.
No.
So eventually, over time, even though it's a
Permanently
permanently non-serviceable motor, it will leak its oil out and it will dry up and gum up and seize up
Correct.
eventually.
There is
In-
no such thing as permanent lubrication.
In enough time. Zoom out, zoom a little in, zoom a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Is it in focus?
It is in focus.
That's a surprise.
And I can't get this tripping pod correct. That's why I'm calling these now tripping pods.
Yeah, that's
For
about
reasons,
right.
because, you know, it happens.
There's a gasket on this, which is keeping
Ah.
it from coming off. That's our problem.
So that might be a seal of some sort.
Yeah, it might be like
Yeah,
a water.
I could see, yeah,
water
try to
tight
keep
seal,
it the
perhaps?
dust and schmoo from getting
Yeah.
in there.
It still does not make it permanently lubricated, but
No.
it might help.
Kind of like the difference between a shielded bearing and a seal bearing for roller bearings. Or not roller, ball bearing, jeez.
Okay, so we got to make a note that that goes
Back.
on the front.
It's kind of weird because you expect that on the back for where the moisture is.
Yeah, that is odd.
That's a very tight fit between this rotor and the stator.
There's still something holding it in place.
It's a good thing.
Stuck on the stator.
Like I said, it might be hitting the windings because they're kind of... Are they curled in?
I
They
think
don't
it's-
look like
no,
they're-
I think
no, it
it's
doesn't-
clearing the windings.
And are they not? They're not a permanent magnet, right?
No,
Okay.
it's just temporary.
Okay.
I do think it's getting stuck. I should not have taken this back shell off. That
Sounds
was a
tweaked.
mistake.
I mean, yeah.
I'm just going to put it back on.
Tappy tap tap.
I think it's just getting stuck on the
The shaft, or the bearing in the shaft.
gummed up oil.
Oh yeah.
Well, this was almost easy.
We don't believe in easy things. Oh, you're
Rex is the best compressor.
Yeah, that definitely would have been a shard if I would have let that out. Tell you what, there's enough freaking stink bugs in it.
You never have enough of those.
Enough stink in the air too.
I think I'm good for a little bit.
Our pollution has kind of gone down. Our quota's a bit low.
3,
What happened?
2, 1.
Release. Quota?
Yeah,
Now
see,
exceed it.
yeah.
You're welcome, by the way.
There we go. Okay, so this is a huge, this was getting very hot. This is a huge, whatever that's.
That don't look good, does it?
No, we'll get that all cleaned up.
What about this? Is that normal?
It don't matter.
There's no friction there.
That just floats there, huh?
It floats inside of here. This is your magnet's pole, south pole, north pole, whatever the inversion is.
Okay.
It floats in my mind.
How exactly when people say they're going to rewind the motor, they mean they literally rewind the motor, like literally?
Yeah, so
Yes.
this gets all cut out, and you put in a new set of windings. Very, very tedious process to do by hand.
Oh, I can imagine.
There are some more stink bugs here.
Gotta cancel those guys out.
I'm going to cancel that out.
I guess these are obviously insulated, otherwise they'd all be arcing against each other.
Correct. So there's a varnish on this wires that's used for this, and when the stator is, this is wound very tight for a reason. When this is loose and the wires can vibrate during operation, the insulation can wear, the varnish can wear off, and then you get what's called a burnout when it'll arc, which is a very hot flame. So what we check for in here when we look at these stators is we look for any parts that are loose, and then we'll re-varnish it to fix those loose parts. This one looks like it's very well made, and it does not seem to have any loose parts.
Well,
so
apparently
we'll
it's,
probably
you
just
said
leave it alone.
it's actually a Westinghouse made motor. I
Who said that?
think that was Kevin or Dave.
No,
No,
said
I
that.
didn't say it.
That was you?
It's a Westinghouse.
Westinghouse is a very good quality motor. So this, I have no reason to believe that there's-
Emerson just put their name on it for that particular unit.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what this is.
My Emerson radio with a double pass condenser's got a Westinghouse motor on it.
You're a double pass condenser.
Thank you. Finally, someone recognizes that. Jeez, took me long enough.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this. This we'll put into the drill press, and we're going to polish. We'll polish this up so that this is like a mirror-like surface again, and it'll work a lot better.
So that could affect the way it spins too?
Oh yeah.
Now what's that thing? Is that the bearing?
This is your thrust washer. This is the bearing in here.
So that's what Will's always talking about whenever he thinks a motor's making noise. It's that little thing right there.
This is very seldom a problem.
Oh, and you also want a little bit of axial play.
Right, so this is...
Well, by the way, the way he always says, he says that the hum is because of that bad freaking thrust washer.
That does not create a hum. This will create a rattling sound. If there's too much play, it'll move back and forth on a horizontal thing, you'll get a clanking noise.
Okay.
It does not create hum. So this pair is for the shorter side, and this pair... Somebody remember this or write it down?
Yeah, you have a marker in here?
Take a picture.
Well, this
Something
one
just
just
broke.
broke. We'll have to replace it. I have new ones. That's not a problem.
Okay.
What are you taking a picture of?
Because I want to.
That doesn't store the information that I need.
That's fine. I won't forget it anyways.
No, I
Won't forget if it's written down. Get some paper. Get that roll of paper on top of the
Yeah.
printer.
Yeah.
It's funny, I was talking to Kevin, and we both agreed we have to beat this into you two. When you take something apart, write down the way it goes.
Yo, I literally draw prints
So that-
I draw prints for everything.
Yeah, and we used one of your pieces of equipment as an example. You have to write everything down so that when you take it apart and you put it back together, you know where the heck it goes. You don't just break something and cause a nightmare for somebody else.
But where's the
to
fun in
clean
that?
up.
Short.
Excellent.
That's for the long side. Oh yeah, my noiseless.
Yeah, case in point. That was the what came up in the conversation.
I was cursing that day. I'm like, nobody drew a wiring diagram.
Yeah, I was just as in awe as you were. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this cleaned up.
All right.
So back to watching the ceiling for next few minutes.
Correct.
All right.
I guess I'll take a break and wash my hands too, because it's going to get all over the clean surface we just cleaned up.
Well, take a good look at this little bit of a mess, folks. Look at it. Look at
Nice. headphone users.
That's pretty cool. Oh, I should have done it right at the hour mark.
There we go. Oh yeah, that's why I got my grandfather clock. I had to modify the sound it made. It goes off every hour.
That's freaking funny. If you did that close to someone's ear, you probably damage your fucking hearing.
Yeah, my right eardrum hurt when you did that when I came up the stairs earlier.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
That's all right.
That's why I
It's all
tried to
good.
anticipate.
It was just noticeable.
The noise.
What was noticeable?
The
My
noise.
right eardrum hurting from him in the air hurt.
Well, I said we shouldn't use that inside for a reason.
And yet,
No, this
It
was from
continues
before
to be
when I came
used
up the
inside
stairs
also.
and he.
Alright.
So we'll write things down.
So all we need is the,
I can have
this piece.
Correct.
Alright. The thingamabobber.
the one piece.
Here's what the ceiling looks like.
Back to the ceiling.
Here's what the floor, here's the floor. Yes, if you're watching his video, you get the ceiling. You get my video, you get the floor. Take your pick. Oh, yeah. We're going walking, man. It's dark in here.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I can eat too.
Yeah.
We could put some cinnamon rolls in.
We could, yeah. We have cinnamon rolls. Yeah, we can throw some stir fry on.
Oh yeah, I could go for that stir fry too.
Ooh, stir fry.
Yeah, Liz, they like. If you ever see this, they like your stir fry.
Open the door, it's cold.
Trying, damn it.
Shut the door, it's cold.
Yeah, close the damn door.
I was gonna open it.
Don't open it.
It comes in. I'll get it.
I see. You're gonna put that in the drawer. Yeah, that's smart.
Yeah, that's what we do. This is going to be a challenge though because it's so long.
It's got a long shaft.
Yes, the shaft is long.
No, especially with me around, it really, it's eternal.
Wait, you just say your shaft is eternal?
It is.
Might be.
Oh my
Depends on who you ask, you know. Day of the week, the moon, time, you know.
Jordan's like, you're not gonna be happy to get me canceled out.
I know. I try so hard to keep this channel rated G, and it just turns into R every time you do.
Well, I usually try to go for triple X, but
Wow. Dave, please do not make this triple X. I might freaking even bail if that happens.
Somebody plug in the heater instead of this.
Yeah, how about it?
Alright, so I think that I can, if I loosen this, I can turn this.
Yeah, I think the same thing. Jordan's definitely regretting his life decisions
choices.
right
Yeah,
now.
like, why did I ever invite these people over to my house and record video at the same time? Not. a
He's
good
been
idea.
asking himself this question since about 12 o'clock today when we woke up. Your camera, and you.
Is it?
Yeah, yours needs to come back a little bit. Yeah, that would be badass to watch these two videos simultaneously, though.
They
Like
will
a split screen
likely
setup.
become out of sync after a short period of time because the filming is just not exactly the same between the two video codecs.
Well, shit.
By the time an hour passes, you might find it's like a second or two off.
Well, that's not too bad. You can just like pause one
It's
for a
enough to
second.
screw up the audio, though.
Oh yeah, for sure. It could probably be digitally edited
Yeah, we could.
via it has to be digital. It can't be analog.
Right, because the digital is just so much better in all respects, all the time for everything.
Yep. Digital is the cure all. It's the new way. Anybody who is anybody knows that.
I don't know. I guess not anybody. Then.
Nobody.
Do you speak of that? Do you find the digital wire yet?
On the digital cable.
Yeah, the digital cable for the 5.1.
5.1. I'm using the 1.1.
Yeah, I bet.
You're digital.
Thank you.
That wasn't a compliment.
I know. Thank you.
If I said you're analog, that would be the compliment.
Yeah, if you call him an anal log, that's like calling him a piece of shit. Dave, you're an anal loud.
I mean, it's really comfortable. You know,
That's cool.
ain't wrong.
Yo, can you imagine if Kevin was here? Oh, he'd be freaking Lou or Mike Wagner.
Mike would be worse. Yeah.
Yeah, Mike Wagner.
We miss you, buddy.
Yep.
Well,
That's why we're doing all
I'll
this.
put you up for a couple of days.
Take an 8-hour road trip one way. Just talk about.
Just please do not do the shower stall massacre in Jordan's shower stall.
Yeah,
I'm pretty
keep
sure we'd not
all poop in the toilet.
be. And don't put your dirty ass rag in his trash can either. I tried to say that without laughing, but I freaking couldn't do
Yeah, we're
it.
blowing up the AutoZone bathroom.
Well, it's public restrooms. That's what it's there for.
Yeah, he was the sink.
I mean, I'm sorry, guys, but I had to cancel out the bottom of your toilet.
Ripperoni.
All right, let's see if this is. Zoom this in here a little bit more.
Like a Zoom
Get that
meeting.
off the.
The zoomies.
Yo,
They've got the zoomies.
not even take anything.
Okay, I need.
You don't have to. You're just naturally a high-strung guy. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. In fact, I'm somewhat jealous.
Yeah, I don't say I'm high strung. Have you seen me on my days off?
Yeah.
Are you off today?
Yep.
Then yes, the answer is self-explanatory.
Normally,
That was a rhetorical question.
it's a bunch of nothing. So. And now I'm doing my favorite activity: straightening fins with a flat blade that's not very flat.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use Chrome polish.
You can't even read the damn label.
As if anyone's actually gonna go out and buy this and follow this educational tutorial that we're spending our time to make anyways.
That's a fair point.
This is a conspiracy, if you ask me.
But they might tune in for a commentary.
Yeah, that's that's worth something.
Maybe not right now, but like I said, in a long time from now, it'll be freaking gold.
Yeah, some of these videos are gonna be historical.
Yeah, give it 20, 30 years.
May even take that long. Yeah, I'm actually getting really hungry.
Like hangry, hungry, or just like hungry?
I'm getting there.
Yeah.
As soon as something goes wrong, I'm gonna be angry.
Dude, yeah, I dig it.
Yeah, I'm getting angry about the fact that I can't stand back at all from this piece of equipment.
The old carrier. It's an old carrier.
Not a Rotorex, it's kind of worthless.
It's a piece of shit.
Piece of crap air conditioner.
They're all pieces of shit.
Except for the Rotorex, those are the best. This is definitely very high hours. I can actually feel the wear mark where the shaft sits in the bearing.
Oh, for real? They definitely ran the balls off it, man. Like, Brian, if you're watching, feel free to leave a comment, but you guys did probably run this from probably, what, like, April all the way through to, like, late September every year and just set it and forget it, just let it run? Because judging by the rust of it, man, this thing's freaking toast.
This was owned by one person?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's neat.
That's why they're willing to put so much
Interesting.
time. Like I said, I'm not charging. I did it. So like I said, it's a labor of love. It really is.
Well, I'm not charging for this work either. I never
You
charge
should.
for my work.
You should.
That's
But,
not what this is for. This is a
exactly, dude, and that's exactly it. We don't do this to get rich. We do this because we love this equipment.
yeah. I think you and I both know what kind of videos make money. It's not these.
No. This is 100% a labor of love because your time and your the time and parts with value and stuff like that you put into these, It's all about the love for the hobby is all it is. If you're looking to freaking get rich, restoring vintage ACs and whatnot is not what you want to do.
Yeah, it's not very lucrative.
But if you enjoy preserving pieces of American engineering and American history,
That's what I'm in it for.
yep.
I'm in it for the Rotorex.
Rotor Rex.
What else is that?
Look at that big freaking thing over there. That thing's a monster. It really is. And now it's going to be as good as new as it's going to get. Put it that way.
The motor will be very close to new.
I don't know what kind of shape the compressor's in. I have no reason to believe it's in any danger of failing. But hey, like I said, any piece of mechanical or electrical equipment has potential to fail.
Well, the compressor is a sealed oil bath system, so the amount of mechanical wear that takes place in the compressor is next to nothing. Those compressors should have a ridiculously long lifespan.
Well, some of them are 7 years old and still running. So what does
And
that
they're
tell you?
probably nowhere near the end. Now, those Rotorex compressors, they just run for decades and decades on end.
Yeah, I don't know why they get as much hate as they do. There's no reason for it. I think people like to bitch.
It's because there's something that's so-called better out there.
Well, of course, there's always something better.
It doesn't make everything else garbage.
No.
Yeah, it's a beat.
I get why people love the B, and the B is a wonderful compressor, and it can be a silent
It's so
compressor.
efficient.
But they're very efficient, but so is the S.
And so is the Rotorex.
So is the rotor X. Any of the low RPM. Me and Rob were talking recently about freaking like how cool a low RPM rotary would sound. Think about it, dual rotary. A rotary is just a rotor, right? Can you imagine having one that's like dual, like double,
Interesting.
like a double rotary compressor?
Well, the lower RPM is brilliant because you take the already pretty much no mechanical wear and cut it in half.
Yeah.
So the lifespan of those low RPM compressors
ridiculous.
is off the charts.
That's great what the refrigerator meter miser is.
So this is what we're looking for. Looks
Nice
like
and
new
shiny.
now. That'll work a lot better.
What grit are you using, roughly? Oh, you're using compound.
I'm using semichrome polish. This is what Kevin
It's a polish.
recommended.
Okay.
And it works very well. I'm not sure if it...
Yeah, you can even see the wear line in it.
Yeah, see that right there? That's
That
the
is-
wear
yeah.
line. So this is very, very high hours.
You said that green on the, that's fine. How worn out that looks, just dirty it looks, that's fine.
This is just the oxidation of the copper. It's
Okay.
whatever material this is. I'm not sure what material it's made out of, but this doesn't touch anything. It's just a magnetic
So
field.
no sense,
it
no
doesn't
sense even
matter.
messing with it.
No.
This honestly wasn't nearly as difficult to mess with as I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, this came apart easier than I expected to.
Seeing how rusted the shell was.
So any fan motor that seizes up like that can be restored and put back to use that easily?
They're not always this easy.
But I mean, the steps are the same.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, in 11 years, I've never totaled one piece of equipment. It's very rare that something just cannot be fixed.
I think we can cancel that way.
Now this you got to be a little careful with
Yeah, I
because
see
this
that.
will shred your hand. Ask me how I know.
Oh, you've done it?
Oh yeah. There's a
What?
first for everything around here.
Just like 17 screws later.
Yeah, that was a bad one too.
That was the day I got lit the hell up.
I cannot believe I didn't just get it up with that motor.
Look. I think I was leaning against something. That's why I probably. And you were standing on carpet, which probably has a rubber bottom on it, and you had
Right.
sneakers on.
Yeah.
I was leaning on your freaking workbench. I'm pretty sure, or whatever.
I know you had both hands in there.
That's it.
That's what
I got
the problem-
ground. Yep, that's probably what happens. You probably would have if you would have been touching something else.
Well, that's why I work carefully.
Wasn't looking out for my safety.
That's not good.
Safety 74th.
Apparently, if it had the grill, I would want to recirculate. I think this will look good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually, push buttons.
Yeah.
Is this really that boring to you?
No, I'm tired. It's 3:31 a.m.
Then go to sleep.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna be heating up the stir fry soon though. Yeah, we'll be sleeping until noon again, I bet you.
I don't know if the video is picking up just how terrifying this operation
Oh, yeah.
is.
Oh, I see. You're making me freaking nervous.
This is really
Oh, yours is
scary.
really zoomed in on it. I don't know if somebody zoomed this in or what. I didn't touch it, but that's like real, and it's like perfectly centered in the frame too. You got that Ted Nugent look right now.
I'm fearing for the life of my hand right now.
Let me get him a.
Don't cancel out your hands.
I'm trying not to.
Trying.
Oh shoot. This is coming out of here.
There's another joke in there.
Wow.
You and your stupid joke. Why don't you just go to sleep?
Because well, it's not really entertaining, but you know, because I wanna,
It's entertaining in
Guess I wanna.
pretty much.
Now, if
I
this
wanna.
stinking air conditioner wasn't here, I could stand in front of the bench properly, but that's a different
carrier.
story.
Do you want me to scoop
The
that
It's
carrier.
not
back?
even like a rotor rack, it's just a stupid carrier.
It does got a lot of run out on it.
For some reason, it's very difficult to get this in here centered.
Well, your center pull, you only got 3 jaws in that,
Correct.
so that's yeah. Click.
Close enough.
There's I guess beggars can't be choosers when it comes to that. It's also a drill test afterwards. You're not known for being super concentric in the Morse taper.
The what? The Morse taper?
Morse taper,
What the
yep.
heck is that?
That's
Like Morse code.
No. That's how the spindle for the Jacob's chuck is attached to. That fits up
Beep,
into the
beep,
Why is
beep, beep,
this-
beep, 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 beep.
This is
Good thing it
really
stopped
not-
when it did.
Well, I could tell when it's about to come out.
Come out and fly. Yeah.
I've been doing this long enough.
How much does something like that cost?
Free if you know the right people. My neighbor was a machinist and he gave this to me.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
A nice old Craftsman one. Very good quality. You can do this with a regular, electric
Hand-
screwdriver, but it's not as convenient.
And then you'd have to hold, the drill and that and
Well, that's
other
where
hand.
the
Yeah.
convenience part comes into play.
Yeah. So in theory, it's right. We'll hold it for you.
We're getting there, but it's taking a long time because this is just so bad. It's, 40-something years of junk on there at this point?
This is a late 80s model. It has the later style grills. This is probably, and it has the smaller push buttons than the big push buttons. I'd say 1986.
Yeah, so that's a lot of junk accumulating over the years in there.
Because after the light, 1983 was the last year for light brown. Then it went to the darker brown trim. That was 1984. In 85, I'd say 86 or 87 is when they transitioned over to the later style grill. They still use the small push buttons. And the year after that, which would probably be 88, 89, they would have went to the fat push buttons.
Chunky boys. The slider thermostat. And
Yep.
This thing is starting to
It's
get on my
really
nerves
heavy.
now. And now I'm getting angry.
frozen nut cream, high on cocaine.
It's like, enough with the copyright.
There's enough violations in this video as it is.
I'm in the video, so that's one violation already.
Yeah, that automatically ramps up the rating a couple levels.
It does. Goes from 18 to 21 plus right away.
Travel. Oh, lady in red.
PG-13.
Take my advice, you'd be better off dead. Switch sleep train over into this underground track and headed for you. It looks nice and shiny up top.
Yeah, this will work a lot better now. Okay, we're gonna call it there.
Is it good enough?
No, this is correct. It's not just good enough. We're not working for GE.
Hey, that's awesome.
So this is the final product.
I got neat.
Good enough. Yeah.
Much better.
Definitely. Look how shiny that is. That did wear a nice little freaking. Look at
Yeah.
that. Nice little burn there. That is freaking beautiful now. And that's just that pot that's
Semichrome power. I already showed it to the camera.
yeah, but you held it up real close to it like that and they couldn't read it. There you go. There we go.
This is a very good product. Highly recommended.
Yeah, very good product. I proved it.
Happage, sponsor us.
Yeah, give us your money. Bitch.
All right, you want to take a break for some food and then we'll come back and finish this up?
Yeah.
I don't work well on an empty stomach. We'll have to
No,
make
me either.
mistakes.
Well, the rest of it's all on the inside, eh? In the garage. Not the garage, your workbench.
Yeah, everything else should be inside.
Alright.
We'll just need a new ticker towel.
Dude, I got more done in this unit today than I did in the last freaking 4 months.
Well, you got some of the best brains working on it with you.
And no interruptions.
Yeah.
Well, there's interruptions.
Well, I
but the
mean-
good, but I shouldn't say that.
types.
It's more like
But the acceptable kind of interruptions.
different type of interruptions.
there's more just retarded comments in the background just going funny.
Glad we got that.
Are you gonna export this as one video, or are you gonna tie them together after we're done?
I could tie it together when we're done, unless you want to film the food too.
Oh my god.
Nah, that's not. I ain't gonna do that to my viewers. I mean, we literally can. They can skip it if they want.
That's true.
They are within their rights to skip it.
I guess I'll just keep this going. We'll film the snack too.
Yeah.
This I don't have to spend time editing on the computer.
All right.
I hate editing.
Yeah, we're filming snack time.
Here's
Kind
what
of
the light
sucks.
looks
Kind
like.
of sucks that we can't listen to music, but that's okay.
Well, we'll use the video to pay for the meal.
All right, I apologize for the next half hour or so, but yeah. We got this thing going where the videos are like recording simultaneously, so it'll be neat to freaking watch them from 2 different perspectives. Even though nobody probably will except for us in 20 years from now.
Hey, you never know. This could be the next viral one. Every now and again, one of them just takes off with no explanation.
Yeah, and you can't predict it. There's no rhyme or
there
reason
is
why
not.
that would happen.
I think it is fully random. I'm just going to drop this off in the studio here, and then we'll go upstairs.
Yep.
There's a nice air conditioner grill.
2 nice air conditioner grills. And a pretty cool thing here, yeah. I like the Vernados.
They got a hell of a pitch to the blade too.
Mm-hmm. Those hallmarks are pretty neat too.
Those are the belt drive.
Yeah.
Those are extremely powerful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see.
That's
Chow time.
Oh no.
Yeah, there's people that film themselves doing goofier shit than cooking dinner. So this is actually probably the most normal part of the whole video if you think about it.
Well, the food preparation will be what happens, as it's being prepared and eaten. That's anybody's guess.
Yeah, it could, and this could go anywhere. I mean, you never know. I mean, it is us.
Yep, that it is.
Yeah, that can happen sometimes.
Yeah, I made that playlist of YouTube copyright-free music. You throw that on for some light background noise.
Yeah. We're not bothered.
Yarp. Yeah. Well, we just make up the stir fry then?
Yeah. You gonna have some?
Yeah, why not?
I'm gonna have some.
Well, you're the one who's getting angry. I would be fine until breakfast, but they're doing work, so I'm just over here being, saying whatever comes to mind.
Yeah.
It's probably not a good idea for me to do on the internet, but we're in this far. So it's probably a good thing no one's gonna watch this.
Oh, that's not true. Somebody will watch it.
Someone will, and be like, oh yeah. You guys are
Well,
special.
ourselves included.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe I'll put it on as I'm driving.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
Yeah, I could just,
Yeah, or it could be a fucking podcast.
well, pretty much,
That'll work out pretty well.
heading down to I don't know, whatever city I'm going to next. I kind of like the little, they kind of look like little hats on the center of your burners. I like that. I've never seen that before for a,
Sounds like a bell.
it does. Is that what they're for, to make noise when they're queued up, or just?
I'm not really sure. Yeah,
It's probably something you shouldn't have showed me, because I'm just gonna go.
Well, you gotta do something with your time. That's actually not a bad song.
No. Kind of catchy.
I like the bass.
Now the house is gonna vibrate.
Oh
I hope
gosh.
your neighbors like being up 24/7.
Most of the days are pretty quiet here, so I think they can make an exception.
I see different vehicles show up like, oh boy, here comes the noisemakers. The house goes from being the most peaceful one in the neighborhood to the most ruckusy one ever.
And they see the freaking PA plates pull
Oh,
up.
yeah.
It's like, uh-oh.
Well, how that's Pennsylvania is.
Your neighbor's probably like, tell those two assholes to get back to Pennsylvania and never come back.
Alright, who's eating this?
Me.
Do we have any?
Yeah, good.
How much you want?
Not crazy amount if we want to.
Can you quantify it a little more than that?
Yeah, like do 2 scoops of that with those tongs.
2 scoops of this or of this?
It's too late for this. That.
Yeah, the thing will be in the tingy days,
Oh,
and
yeah.
yeah. Turn that over again, yeah, like that.
Yeah, I'm kind of glad Liz sent me with this. It's actually turned out pretty good.
Yeah, this is very helpful because I didn't have this many meals prepared.
We're gonna eat torn out of houses.
Well, I thought we'd have lunch and dinner, not lunch, dinner.
Dinner, breakfast, one.
Yeah, well. There's a diner near me that has really good breakfast and dinner. They got this omelet that is fucking incredible. Oh, sorry.
Are you actually gonna go through and beep all the
No, I can't.
I was
don't
gonna
have
say
that
there's
kind
like
of
way
time.
too many.
It's just got to be a PG-13.
You're just just put on just age restrict on your channel, like our 18 plus or whatever. It always fumes.
Oh, that reminds me. I almost forgot a Christmas decoration earlier.
Oh, the one in the bathroom?
Christmas tree, right above the toilet. The electrical outlet. And I realized I forgot to film the one the Christmas decorations above the toilet though.
You don't have a Christmas tree in your bathroom?
Nope.
What the heck is wrong with you?
Yeah, I know. There's a lot. Where do you want to start?
Let's start with the Christmas decoration not in the bathroom.
Go from there. Oh yeah. It's a video of a video being videoed for an hour and a half now.
Riveting content.
Don't make fun of this content. It's making this thing impossible.
Yeah, that's all it's paid for somehow. Sucks it with the water.
Get on one of the videos.
Yeah, my wife is a good cook. I will give her that. That's why I gained freaking 50 pounds in the last 5 years.
Yeah, I can see why.
Yeah. I grab my glass.
It is the official view of this channel that the Rotorex compressor is the absolute best air conditioner compressor ever made.
30-minute
Superseding-
measure test, isn't it?
Superseding the B series, the S series, the Matsushita, the Sanyo, the Tecumseh.
Time.
Time down.
Well, what just happened? Did you plug something in the garage?
No, what?
Did it just stop?
Song's over.
Oh.
All I did was go down and get my glass of H2O.
What are you, a chemist now?
Yeah. I'm a chemist.
And where are you every time I talk in the video? I need a chemist to explain something. You never chime in on the,
I didn't know.
comments.
I didn't know. I didn't know I was a chemist until now.
We were talking about the elements and whatever.
It just clicked at me, you know?
Yeah.
Sometimes things just, click.
Yeah, so do computer mice.
It's the moment.
As we're playing our Vigilment games on the confuser.
It's the little things.
How about to mess this computer's day up in pocket tanks? Anyone want to play pocket tanks?
No.
What?
I'm just thinking of pocketbooks.
Oh my god. Yeah, okay. I've been, compared to that, I have been relatively good the whole entire filming session. Would you agree that he's worse than me during this video?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when the camera comes on, he gets worse.
You're welcome. I guess. I don't know.
And me, I'm like this all the time, no matter whether the camera's rolling or not.
That's how we be.
Yeah, no, it's raw footage, man.
Yep.
Another joke in there somewhere.
I mean, that is the way to do it, but
I'm not out there to get popular. If I was trying to get popular, I wouldn't make a YouTube channel about vintage air conditioners.
If we were trying to be that popular, we'd cut the video after every single sentence and take out any iota of dead space or thinking space in your head and make it some brain rot trash.
I can't say that. Some people use way too many just random cuts.
Yeah, it's
Oh, they jump around,
It's not
yeah.
natural.
No, it's,
I need to get the plates
Kind
out
of
the
annoying.
dishwasher.
Oh, am I in your way?
Yes.
My bad.
If you just move down a little bit, that'll be fine too.
You're good. Oh, I'm just gonna do this. Like, I need to get in the dishwasher. Am I in your way? No.
Maybe sort of. Kind of. 2 days from now, you might be in the way of that. But right now, fine.
Yeah, if my wife calls me this time and asks me to come home at 5 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna be totally screwed.
That's gonna be a half hour from now.
Yeah, I'll be like, unless there's a dire emergency, absolutely not.
Emergency. You should have left that air conditioner home. Just turn that knob if there's an emergency.
At least I'm not the only one who's getting tired.
Yep, it just hit me.
There we go. And I found my second and third window already.
That doesn't beat when Christian says the air conditioner almost ready or whatever he said, that thermometer thing hits you right down. Were you in there for that?
I don't know. Maybe. I can't remember. I can't remember the past 5 seconds, let alone.
That talking thermometer thing says it's nearly
Yeah, I
done.
would say.
Oh, that was freaking funny.
He has his day.
Oh yeah, then,
I don't know if anybody was
Secondly.
filming when that happened.
No, you weren't. I was really disappointed.
That's
with
right.
that.
I'll tell you what though, it was freaking hilarious.
The timing could not have been
Perfect. Yeah. The air conditioner ready? The food is ready.
No, but he said, is that near, which is kind of a weird thing to ask, is that nearly done?
It's nearly
word
done.
for word, when he says that, that thing
The food is
says,
nearly done.
it's nearly done.
So, yes. That was really good.
That was
That was
fantastic.
great. That was probably the highlight of the day.
And you know what? It when nobody was filming. I always say we should film everything
Yeah.
because
Well,
sometimes stuff like
you've
that
got-
happens.
It's your house and you got a camera.
I don't have it on right now.
Yeah.
Well, right now, technically the camera is on, right? Are you meaning like a whole house
The
camera?
security cameras are not on right now.
Oh, you got me. I'll freak out with your security system for the weekend.
Come on,
I'll
what are you talking-
I'll pan up full of freaking anger. I'm looking for a reason. Be like, yeah, be like, I hate to interrupt your robbery and all, but have you ever heard the phrase "wrong house" before?
That's what this is. You come in here, you got a bigger problem than your picture getting taken.
Release the shmoo.
I'm not done over there yet.
Oh, I'm trying to find a better spot. I can sit my fat ass back down.
Stop. Gotta remind me of something.
Just keep it to yourself.
Yeah, it's another FedEx story.
FedEx can ignore a problem.
Oh my god. Fuck that place, dude. That fucking pumpkin burns to the ground.
I'm still winning. That was a good match too. Oh, come on. I still won.
Victory!
Sure don't want to try it.
Do I just click a thing and click another thing?
I can walk you through
And
it.
if you want to
See, picture your weapons first.
Oh, driver, yo! Oh my god! Yeah, there we go. That's where my brain's been all night.
So, geez, the minigun's a good one.
Pulsar.
Usually want one. Oh, cauldron's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Fuzzball.
Dirt ball!
That buries in the dirt. You got most of it. Now let's put it on random. That's about a 50, I'd say, maybe 51, 52. You don't want to waste your power drive. Put dirt, right fuzzball first to test it. Oh yeah, right on. There you go.
Correct.
So now you're pretty well aimed, Dave. There you got it. Now use power driver. I'm curious to see what power driver does. You're already aimed, so it should land right on. That's probably gonna dig into a trench if I had to take a guess. Bam. Yep. Oh, cool. Now everything you throw in is gonna kind of hang out down there. So just keep your stuff aimed where it's at.
Okay.
Oh, he is protecting himself. That's okay because it should be pretty easy to penetrate that. Go into see what kind of weapons you got available. You save the cauldron.
Mystery bombs?
Yeah, try mystery bomb. That should land right on.
Oh, one of them did.
Yeah, cleared him out, so now he's wide open for you again. Don't throw. Crap. Alright, okay, move you a little bit, but not that. Alright, now try the freaking, I wouldn't mess your settings, it's still pretty good. Now I would try the, what else do you got? Cauldron's a good one.
Cauldron. Alright.
Yeah.
Cauldron.
Fire!
Direct hit.
That's pretty cool.
Are you doing anything constructive?
No.
No, what do you need help with?
Can you take this outside and just dump it across the street by the fire hydrant? Okay. Don't dump it on the fire hydrant so it gets slimy.
Oh, that's a good idea, we'll do that.
See how many what weapons you got left. Oh, yeah, and a minigun.
Fire the primaries.
Oh, hell yeah. That wasn't that.
It's kind of mid.
Even if it would have hit it down on, I wasn't going to do that much damage. That totally missed you, which is nice. Alright. I don't know what that one does.
Pulsar.
Yeah, try it.
Pretty.
Oh, that was good. I got 40 points off in one hit.
Not too bad. Oh. Alright.
What is this dish called?
Stir fry?
Stir fry.
What kind of stir fry?
Man, I thought she's sleeping right now. She didn't tell me what the hell the name of it was. I'll ask her. It's freaking banging though.
Yeah, I want to make this.
I would call her, but at 3:58 a.m. she would not be happy about that.
Yeah, well, it's not urgent.
Try the dirt ball.
Just have her send me the recipe like she did the pancakes.
Well, the last time we were here, she called me at 5 o'clock in the morning. Was returning the favor. Something tells me she wouldn't look at it that way.
Oh, they heard the fence, I wouldn't mind it.
Yeah, it was kind of an emergency.
Yeah, that one.
Look at
It's
it.
here. Yep.
Come on, Van.
Roll
So
it,
we're
roll
doing
it.
it.
Aye, aye, aye.
You can do it, are you sure about that?
Yeah. Pile driver, cauldron.
What are you saying?
Dave just felt like saying pile driver.
Yeah, I mean it's fine.
What about,
Big shot, yo.
That buries him, so I'll bury him in dirt, so all his attacks are useless against it.
Does that have any personal information on it?
Nope.
Now it just has, all their metadata, address, social security, all the good stuff. I'll take the cool.
how many do you have to select?
I usually pick the ones I want, and then I usually just we go random after that.
I'll take cord.
Did you need it?
Well, if you're done
Oh,
using
I was gonna plug it in over here.
you're gonna use
Unless
it.
you're charging your phone.
No. Oh, I thought you were done charging.
I wish. I don't know what my battery is, and I can't check because it's gonna stop the video.
Then you're gonna have to edit the video.
At that point, I'll just end the video.
Cancel it out.
Yeah, there's.
We got the technology.
You know what might be good in this is a little bit of cheese.
Cheese.
Oh, maybe. You know, she did bring that we can use to put in that if we want to. I should have said something like hours ago.
But that would make sense. And we do not believe in that. Well, actually, we do.
She sent me with 2 highly useful condiments.
Oh, yeah.
Sesame seeds, which are amazing. And I don't prefer them. She likes them.
I would like put that in here either.
No, I didn't. Maybe sesame seeds.
It doesn't need anything, but I
It doesn't.
some cheese on the top would be nice.
Try it. Ain't gonna hurt. I'd set that to about 40.
40?
Yeah, try it. No, the angle, you don't want to usually touch the angle. I mean, you can, but you have to compensate for it.
I'll leave it there.
So, like,
you want this?
Oh my God.
You want this
Sure.
before you ready?
Anything. That's great. Yell right now.
See what it
You're
does.
That's the
Yeah.
highest it goes anyway.
He's been around.
I just gotta go.
Way higher.
You're like, oh my
Okay.
God, Jesus Christ.
Well, I'll keep it
Do you
at
have
40
to? I'm like,
Try it.
Yes.
Obviously, if it's too.
yeah.
Yeah, it needs more power. That all depends on your angle.
that's what
too.
he said.
Oh my God.
Nice, man.
You're welcome.
Can't.
That was really got a lot more interesting.
Hey, you really sure there's not something you want to just tell us?
No, we're good. I'm fine, man. Well, I don't know, but I think I am, and thus, yes. For mind over matter. Or something,
okay.
I don't know.
Whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever.
This is a no judge zone.
Well,
Within reason.
You fucking shitting me.
freedom.
Dude, it's addicting. You're gonna end up downloading this shit.
Yeah, I think so.
That guy just hit himself.
Never fucking played cool
Yes,
math games.
That's kind of dope.
I wouldn't doubt it.
Cool math games. Fireboy and Water Girl.
Why does that sound
Pocket
familiar?
tanks, baby.
Son of a bitch.
You're getting hangry.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
What's that? Some yo-yo. He just hit himself. Well, that's a powerful. I took 50
Yeah.
points off, and now he's at 0. At least the playing field's even again.
Yeah, holy shit.
Wish my whistle was working better.
We could use the air horn instead.
No. I do not want to damage
No,
my
we're
hearing
at-
or
we're at a
anyone
certain-
else's hearing in this house.
We're at a
As
certain...
Jordan says, you shouldn't use the air horn in the house. And what happens? People use the air horn in the
They
house.
said that for
And
good reason.
what happens to the hearing?
It breaks.
Exactly. It cancels it out.
Cancels.
So,
Hey, Ben, I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry that I canceled out your hearing.
My right eardrum, yeah.
And to my viewers, I'm sorry that I canceled out your hearing just
Oh.
before the 1 hour mark in the video.
Speakers too.
I was gonna say, probably if someone had turned up and clipped a few amps and might have popped a driver.
That
or
definitely
two.
clipped.
Alright, here we go.
Alright.
Just like the Digitan cannons of the 1812
The what?
overturn.
The digitated what?
The Digitan cameras. God, not cameras, cannons. You know what I'm talking about.
Canon. This is
Ramsey.
a Sony camera, not a Canon camera.
Mary God's
Why are there cameras?
The Mary God's
Yeah, I can't
Mary
edit this
God's
at this point because it
Ramsey.
just starts to take forever to import the files into the video editor.
Oh, did you happen to
When it
pause?
exceeds like a half an hour, this would literally take hours to put into the computer.
Yeah, that's on the store. This is one freaking video. This is video number 12 on the Emerson Quiet Kool 20,000 BTU restoration process. Repairing thy motor, which turned into.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
yeah,
hungry.
do
You
that.
eat first.
Yeah, you're the one that's hungry.
Not really.
Actually, I'm hungry too.
Then you.
Thanks, Dave.
I was gonna
I don't know why that was so funny, but it was.
We'll probably be having this for lunch tomorrow too.
Hey, we have plenty left, don't
Yeah.
That'll be enough for more.
we? Freaking Dave gave me a half-assed portion.
Well, you pulled your bowl right away.
That's no excuse.
Oh, that's
no
no excuse. I don't want to
Well,
make
we
the
can
mess
go
over
back on
towards
the video
floor.
and see if that's actually what happened.
We can't.
I don't think that is exactly what happened.
Oh, it's what happened.
That's what happened. I said it's what happened.
At least I think it is.
You know, it's all a matter of perspective.
Perspective, yeah.
Is everything.
I swear to God, this gets better every time we have it.
Look at it.
I think the flavor soaks into the pasta. That's what I think's going on.
It might be. Hasta la vista. there was another one we had about spaghetti, but I forget it. It's been too long.
Probably better off.
We were downstairs.
Dave over there wants the lady and the trumpet.
Oh, now I get what you mean. Come over here, Russ.
No, I didn't say. Not with me.
Oh, man. Good times.
Sorry if I'm throwing mixed signals here, but no.
God. Why I am the way I am? I don't know, but I am the way I am. I have an idea why.
You've been corrupt.
Thank you, working in retail. Retail,
Walmart,
Walmart,
FedEx.
customers,
Amazon.
oh,
It's like the 3 worst brands.
well, it worked for me.
Yeah.
Is it too?
What?
No, it sounds like it. Yeah, you two would definitely get us a copyright strike.
Oh yeah, immediately.
They go hard.
You know, I got a copyright strike for using an air compressor a couple weeks ago.
What?
Bro.
You disputed it, right?
Well, yeah, so apparently there is some kind of audio track that has different mechanical sounds on it.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess the compressor I was using matched this track closely enough that I got an automatic
Really?
copyright claim.
Oh, look at that. Oh, God.
So I disputed it, of course, and the
Mhm.
dispute was ignored. So if it gets ignored for 30 days, I win it by default. I think we're getting close to me winning it by default. But that's ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Especially because I've used that compressor on video many times, and it's never been a problem.
And all of a sudden, someone's got to copyright that same exact compressor, mechanical noises, and I'm just saying, yeah.
And I use that compressor all the time. So now every
So,
time
yeah,
I
you
use the
need- yeah.
compressor on video,
Oh
I'm
my
getting
God.
copyrights. Right? I mean, you can't copyright the sounds of mechanical equipment. That's going too
Or
far.
maybe you should copyright that. And you
It's
can
not
counter.
ethical.
Wow. If it keeps us from getting copyright strikes.
Unethical, since when does that stop anybody from ever doing anything?
Exactly.
Over here all the time.
Oh.
This is a very ethical
It's a
channel.
very ethical site. Okay. I'll take my unethical ass out there.
Ah, fuck. Screwed up my freaking power too. I didn't notice that. Damn it.
The old pile driver, you know. A little too weak, a little too powerful, but never just quite right.
This weapon's called toaster, and it landed right. Oh, damn! I got him. Look at that. That was cool.
Like a small nuke. I love it.
Got a headshot.
Landed right on him.
Like an exploding melon.
Biz bombs, huh? You noticed me? Oh. Run and gun, huh? Whirlwind. Try laser. Oh, let's try laser grenade.
Laser beams. I'm going to break that one out. I want sharks with laser beams on their foreheads.
Huh?
That's such a good series of movies.
Try whirlwind. Hope it doesn't move him, because I'm aimed in perfectly. Wow, yep, it moved him. Well, I got 50 points on him.
Austin Powers.
Rotor Rex.
Roll to the X.
That was horse shit.
Instead of pigeon shit.
Whoops. Wow.
Now it's cow shit.
Oh my god, Dave, go to bed.
No, not yet. We're just doing good. My phone's tonight's youngest. Oh, it's actually Sunday. Well, it's been
I'm
Sunday.
good for a little bit, but when I crash, I'm gonna crash.
Are you gonna get? Alright. The good kind or the bad kind?
Good kind.
Good kind. Go.
I told Liz we'd be home around dinner time, so hopefully we'll have salmon ready for us when we get home.
What time are you fixing to leave?
I'd say around dinner time, I guess. Probably 1:30, 2 o'clock would be fair.
You think you're going to be awake by then?
I freaking hope so. But if not, I mean, that just is what it is, huh?
Yeah, it's only 4:11. So we still got like an hour, hour and a half till we match yesterday's time.
It'll be there.
Fine, it's good, it's fine.
Oh,
it's
come
good.
on. He's gonna beat me this time. Oh, nope.
Oh.
He's still got one more attack left. Hopefully he misses me. Shit. It's not gonna move. Oh, he missed me. Good. Yeah!
Yeah.
Cool. That was a good game.
It's good because you won. That's all that matters.
George, you wanna try it? Pocket tanks?
Nah, I'm okay.
Oh, it's really quiet out there.
Yeah.
A company closed and we need to make more YouTube friendly tracks.
I actually really like this one.
It's a decent track.
I'm taking a mega nuke. Fire stamp. Mountain mover. Fire bolt. Was I took saucer attack. Damn, that's my next one. Sledgehammer. Dun, dun. Blender.
That's a tool that fixes everything.
Booster rocket. Well, that sounds good. Take magnet. Flying discs. That's about 554. Testing on a sledgehammer. Well, I need way more power than that. Oh, that would have been good because I have the trap in his little.
Little hole.
Yep.
Yeah, that crater.
Oh, God. Resist the urge.
Plus booster rocket.
Yeah.
Ah, man. Oh, at least it'll be easy to hit him now, but I'm kind of stuck in a hole too.
That was kind of
I wasn't expecting that to happen. Does anybody else have any more stir fry? Should I finish it off?
Consume.
And it is good.
Nobody else wants it. There's a little bit left.
I mean, hey, if you're
Take
not
it.
eating it, sure.
I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, you get to eat the stir fry more often than I do, so.
All I gotta do is say a word. Set the magnet right on him. Oh, look at him. Look at that.
Making
That's cool. Well, I got 50 hit points for that one. Huh.
50.
Now he's buried. Yeah, he's buried too.
Oh.
Trailblazer. Oh, that was cool.
Should be sure.
That was neat. That got a decent amount of hits. It's all one pointers, but it's a lot of one pointers. I gotta remember that for next time. It's a damn good mega nuke. I'll drop that bitch
Watch
off.
the cord. That's why when I was in the garage, I was very careful.
Damn!
Sure, we're still good. We're still recording.
Is that the mudslide?
That was a mega nuke.
Holy shit.
Huge.
Shit. Alright, that sucks. We don't want if there's like a one that not mover. There you go. I'm gonna aim that.
Sucks
Right,
like
right
Sigma.
here, right toward him. Whoa.
You guys are right next to each other. Jeez.
Yeah.
Like point blank range.
Yep.
Like some Sigma stuff.
What the hell is that showdown? Oh, dude, that's freaking cool. I've never seen this before. Alright, so that's gonna be one of these, maybe like 30? 35, keep it the same. Firestorm. No!
Whoa.
That sucks. I would have freaking got him too. 35 is way too powerful. I'll try like 15. Slammer. How what the hell is that? Ooh.
That was directed.
Yeah, but it only got me for 1 point. I'm gonna max out the power, and that should hit him right there. What do I got to get him with? Blender. Ah! Dumbass. He shot himself down for me. Right there. And what do I want to do? A fireball, definitely. Boom. What? That was freaking retarded. I needed that point too, but I'm like losing here. Saucer attack. Oh no. I'm losing this one, I think. Unless the buzzsaw's like a miracle fucking weapon. I got 20 points. Snow drift, huh? Ah, crap. You got me buried. Well, I'm gonna try flying discs. Nope, it just took a bunch of points away from me. Yeah, that can sometimes happen. Sometimes you lose. I mean, it is what it is. Anyone else?
I'm on my distraction break again.
Big and fired.
Thank you.
Yes.
I was gonna do a random on that one. Ooh, eruption? Hope I get eruption. Did I get eruption? Nope. Oh, I got the badger though. I'm gonna try throwing a slime ball at him. That's a pretty far stretch. It's about 63, man. Crap. A little bit more power. Try,
Laser saw you.
Yeah.
it's hard to judge. Once you get them dialed in, you're good until they move you. That sucks. Look at that, like 10 more power.
Things taken out of context inside my mind is very common.
Hot foot, huh? What's that? Guess I'm about to find out. That's too far. Try 69.
Snowing again.
Yeah, I suppose. Now I will say I'm glad I'm not out today, innit?
I tried
Using
68.
the little group chat for work.
Shit, driving back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Snowing the entire day tomorrow.
Yes, I'm glad I'm not driving because they shut down 78. It was all like backed up.
They called meltdown. Got me 10 points on a dead on hit. Meltdown. I think that'd be like exciting.
Yeah. It should be a meltdown.
Oh wait, no, it's not over yet. Okay, that was pretty good. All right, I got him. Yeah. Yeah. And that kind of got him in a little bit of crater there.
It's
So
like
he,
lava, slow moving.
looks like he's sitting with sneak attack. That move's only fist. Yeah, it moved me. But not by much. If I had like 3 more power to it. I'm gonna try throwing molten plastic at him.
Mystica.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Also known as what road wrecks are made out of.
Rotor Rex is not made out of molten plastic. They have
Mystica.
something much better than that.
Made in the USA.
Pardon plastic.
It is made in the
Try a
USA.
hot spring. I'll throw that bitch out.
Until they merged with Reggie and it was China.
Yeah, 35.
I'm not gonna go
Taiwan
on
or
that.
whatever.
How was the time?
The gift that keeps giving.
A Rotor Rex compressor?
Oh yeah.
Gift to cold air all summer.
Yeah, freaking heat too. You put a reversing valve on.
Oh, you can make that happen.
Sounds weird, but I want like a 1.5 ton or 2 ton Rotor Rex.
Well, Kenny's got
I have a 1.5 one.
Yeah.
Not the road wrecks?
Yep.
Like a big boy Rotor Rex.
Yeah, with F badge. Better than
Yeah.
the F badge with the 6 push buttons.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Believe it or not, it has a freaking rotor Rex.
Yeah. That's the one that he got off wherever he got it shipped and it didn't work.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Kenny does too. Yeah, that was from
Yeah.
Texas. Yeah,
That's good.
he got the shaft on that one.
Yeah.
Badger. How was that? Oh, shit. That was pretty cool.
And it's got the heat strips on it.
Yeah, if one came along for the right price.
That is 8. I think that was for sale if I remember
Kenny's?
correctly.
Yeah.
It is.
It is. You just gotta make an offer on it.
Yep.
And then place the compressor. Rex is garbage! At least that one in particular is.
So that one,
I mean, honestly, that one,
I don't know how far you got
I would
into.
probably disconnect. I'd probably cancel out the electric heat strip and put in a reversing valve, make it a heat pump.
I I would keep the electric heat strip and put the reversing valve in. This way you got the kind of like that man we were looking at tonight, that first you had. Yeah, this way you got the backup. And
Keep that 30 amp load on it.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna win this one actually. Unless this flare happens to be really damn good. That's alright. Shield, Superstar. Throw that out. Take that, man.
It is almost ready.
Crap.
That's my last soda for tonight. I think I gained about 10 pounds. I feel
Oh jeez. Yeah, I just stopped drinking soda and started drinking water. Just getting dehydrated.
Good news is I don't have the desire to go back to that every day. You know what I mean? It was just like an occasional thing.
Yeah, you should try to stick to water.
Water.
I would do coffee, but I try not to take a piss all the time. So coffee's good. I like it. I just don't drink it. It's those weird things like candy. I like candy. I don't really eat it.
A couple shots of espresso.
Couple of shots of chocolate vodka. Although I can't really do that.
Stalin's night.
Yeah. Good stuff.
I
I like it.
I need some
I just don't drink
Espolon Blanco. That's my favorite liquor.
Alright, I guess we'll
Good.
Yeah,
We can knock over the humidifier.
yeah, I gotta cancel it out.
We like doing that around here
Yep. Apparently.
for some reason.
Apparently.
That guy. Does it snow right now or no? Is it?
Nope.
Okay. It's a pretty out there.
Oh my god, dude.
It's a pretty. Oh, I get much bigger than this. It's a good thing there is alcohol involved. Because my damn shirt would be off. Maybe. I don't know. The boot has to be right for that. Huh?
Oh, if something pisses you off, you want to fight somebody.
Oh no, usually because I'm just being retarded. No, that's it. No, it's not because I'm angry. When I drink, I'm always happy. I never drink when I'm angry beforehand, or I never get angry while I'm drinking.
See, that's my
Which
problem.
is-
Is that when I'm
Oh,
pissed off,
that's you don't know. You don't want to get anything involved. No, it's
Oh, yeah.
that does not lead to good things.
that's what I do. You know,
Yeah.
pissed off.
No, I'm naturally happy drunk, and I want to keep it that way. The rare times I actually do drink.
Yeah, I got a problem, man.
Yes.
I got.
It's good to take care of that now that it's
Yeah, well, you know what?
on.
Shit right now.
Eventually.
A few years.
Yep, you're like younger self. What? What? God damn.
Well, in Kingston, we got Beer World, which has everything. Every kind. They got Juice Bomb IPA, Fiddlehead IPA. We got Long Trail Ale out of Vermont, which is a lager. I think that's 5.8%.
No, it's pretty good. Kind of, yeah. I'm real picky. I like the real sweet taste and
I
stuff.
can't
so, like,
stand Twisted Tea
you don't like, oh my god, it's my jam.
anymore.
I like
and
it. So good.
yeah, but one time either White Claw or High Noon.
Ugh, shall we?
Somebody asked me if I want White Claw. I'm like, no, I got balls between my legs, dude. I don't drink that shit.
I tried it. I'm just not I personally really don't like seltzer at all.
I'll be amazed if
I
anybody
tried
made
it.
it through that.
It's not a
I can't.
Hey, don't.
I can't do seltzer or anything.
Yeah, if you mix seltzer with vodka, it's horrible.
Alright.
Like screwdriver, it's like orange juice.
Screwdrivers are good.
Really?
Yeah,
I
I
like
like
them.
them. On iced teas are good too.
Oh, see, I'm saying that like I haven't tried it. I don't like.
Well, that's all personal taste. Everyone likes some. Other people like something else. It's all. It's like air conditioner compressors.
Right.
We
Some
all
like
have-
Rotorek, some like those stupid Bah series.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I'm actually at the point where if somebody offered me a White Claw, I'd be offended.
There's another one here. I like these old school dungeon type lights. Like they look like they belong on like a submarine or something, or like an explosion.
Yeah, it looked kind of commercial.
Yeah. Industrial, even.
I thought that would be a good fit for downstairs.
Yeah. Alright, so we're back to business. After a half hour, 45-minute hiatus.
Much needed.
Not sorry. If I told you if I apologized to you, I'd be lying. We are not sorry at all. Everybody has the opportunity to fast forward. I think we're pretty entertaining though.
Yeah, I think so too.
you could do with that G? Hook it up down here. I could make an 8-track for you of all freaking like royalty-free music in case you're just like really dying in here and need some background noise. Like a 90-minute continuous loop tape that way won't get too repetitive.
I'm not like you with the music. I can go without it.
Can you?
I would actually rather sit down and do nothing but exclusively listen to the song as opposed to having it in the background.
I do both. But I really do enjoy this critical listening sessions. It's just that I don't really have the time to do it like I used to. It's kind of unfortunate, but life goes on. What are you gonna do? It's not the end of the world. It's not. It's just different. Not the way I was used to living. You gotta grow up sometime.
That's true. Okay, so we got to get new thrust washers for that because that one broke.
So what do they make, like freaking kits for that?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, one of these little mini skateboards. Looks a little fragile.
Yeah, I'm sure they're not built the way they used to be.
Oh, it's a newer one.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are all too small.
Oh no.
I think these should have some bigger ones. Yeah, this has bigger ones. Well, we don't have really the right size that we need for this.
Okay.
No, not okay. This is like a hair too small.
That sucks.
That it does. We might have to order some.
All right. Well, if that's the case, I'll leave this motor here.
Oh, nah, that's not really the right size either. It's got a little bit of... That's a touch too big. It's like a size in between these two.
So if it's a touch too big, how big of a problem is that?
Probably not much of a problem. And we could try it and see how it operates.
I mean, worst going to happen is what? It doesn't work?
It'll just sound funny. Do you recall which side of the shaft was facing in which direction?
Off the top of my... wires would have been against the unit, the bulkhead side.
Okay, so was it the shorter side or the longer side of the shaft come off the?
I would
This
have
side.
to. I would almost have to go and look at the pictures. Like I said, this would be. Oh, the long. Yeah, the long one would go. That would go toward the centrifugal blower would be on this side. The fan mode, yeah, because this
That makes
is
sense because
the rough side, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yep, and the wires go against the housing of the air conditioner.
Okay.
Because both these caps are the same, right? I don't know if they can see us right now. I don't want to
Pretty
be
much.
blocking the view. We in frame.
Surprisingly.
Yep. Let me ask you this: would that run regardless?
Regardless of what?
If that was, let's say that was in backwards, would it still run?
Yeah.
You just won't be able to put the fan blade on
Your
one
blades
side of
wouldn't
it.
fit on right.
Yeah, because that would be against it. The blower wheel is right on the other side of the bulkhead.
Yeah, it would make sense that the rusty side is what's outside.
Yeah, this unit had the balls run off of it.
Yeah, I can tell the motor's very high hours. But it's still kicking, so that says something about the machine.
Absolutely. I believe it's the one with the GE fan motors that usually failed. Because some of them, that's usually on those Emerson Quiet Kools. I know ours, it was a fan motor failed. You lost your super first, then you lost your quiet, and then you had to run it on normal, and eventually that died too. Then my dad, instead of replacing the fan motor, just bought a new one.
Which is probably a very common course of
Because
action.
we know normal is a speed we never use. We ran it on super during the day in the heat of the day. Then at night when we were watching TV or watching movies, we put it down to quiet, and it was very quiet.
But the problem is it's loud on high.
Oh yeah. It was a 24,000 BTU model.
That's a lot of capacity.
But like I said, they're quiet though, believe it or not. Because I had a 20 amp plug on it, or one was that way, one was that way, and the new one is a 15. Well, it ain't new now. And, what's messed up, Jordan, is that air temp now is older than the Emerson was when it was replaced.
Wow. It's still there?
Yeah, it's still there. Because at the longest, that particular series started in 1978, I think. Because in 1975 through 78, it would have had the one big vent and two drain holes in the back. This was a two vent, one drain hole, so it would have been 1979 up into 1983. And then 84 would have had a different, darker front. It's the only difference, but yeah. If I take, I guess, late 70s, early 80s for sure. So at the most, it was 20 years old, which is a very short life for one of those.
Yeah, that's not
And
long.
then most of them were replaced just because they were old, though, sadly.
Which is such a waste.
We just got a fluke. But we ran the balls off of it. Like, it ran every summer constantly. So it did have its fair share of errors. My dad bought the house in 1985, and it was there then.
He bought it new?
No, he bought the house in 1985 when it was already there. That wouldn't have mattered, though. My dad's not a sentimental guy at all.
Oh.
Not. Maybe his car, that's about it. Great guy, though, he is. But like I said, he just doesn't really... He's more interested in the present than he is the past. And me, I'm the complete opposite.
Are we there yet?
Getting there.
Yay.
Probably another 10 minutes, if that.
Yeah, we're wrapping up now.
15 minutes.
Yeah, tomorrow we're gonna wake up, pretty much eat, maybe hang out a little bit, listen to a little bit of music. Hopefully, depending on what time we get up, and We'll be
Yeah.
rolling. It'll be noon by the time we wake up, I can guarantee you
At
that.
least.
I am going to set my alarm for 2 because I do want to be out here by the latest 3 o'clock. That'll still put us home around acceptable dinner time.
Well, if we take 287, we'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't know why it takes a
Well-
different way on the way home than it does on the way here. Because the
Keep
way
in mind
home,
it's going to be snowing tomorrow.
Yeah, so we gotta go
That
slower.
might add some time.
that's fine.
But, yeah.
We're not going to be in a hurry, man. It's more important to get home in one piece than it is to get home fast.
That is true.
Mhm. Oh, yeah.
If we don't get home till fucking 10 o'clock tomorrow night, who cares? It is what it is.
If you don't get home at all, it's going to be a problem.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Or in pieces.
I mean, if it's really that bad, like if it's for some reason we get some kind of freak storm, I'll just freaking stay. If you don't, obviously, if you're okay with it.
You're welcome to stay as long as you need to.
Wait, do you work Monday night, Dave?
No, I'm off till
I don't
Wednesday.
either.
Yeah, I work on Monday. Yeah, I work freaking Monday
You
night.
work
I really want to. I really don't want to call off again.
Yeah.
This early into the year, lose a personal day this early. So, like I said, if the weather is like really bad and it's honest to God a risk, then yes. But otherwise, I'd really like to head out by 3.
I heard
Are
a
those-
couple inches is supposed to come down tomorrow.
Is that those WeGo connectors?
Yeah, and they're trash. I hate
You
them.
don't like them? I've heard
I mean,
good
they're,
things
they're
about
okay for like low draw applications. Like I'll use them for a ceiling fan or a testing case like this.
them.
But some people will use those to put a
For
string
how?
of outlets together. I'm not drawing 15 amps through one of those things. No shot.
I guess there's not enough beef to them to handle
I
the
could think
current.
of a few things that could go wrong.
Yeah, I could think of a handful of things that go wrong too.
Okay. I've never used them before. I was just curious.
Yeah,
I've
some
heard
people
about 'em, but
swear
it's-
by them. I don't
Yeah.
see it.
Okay.
But that's just my opinion.
I prefer traditional wire nuts.
I do too. That's what I use.
Okay.
Copper tubing cutters. I need to get me a set of those. You know how we cut the refrigerant lines for that thing?
Nope, I wasn't there.
Grinder.
Ugh.
You risk getting stuff, contaminants.
No, we
in there.
with
crimped
that.
we crimped the
Oh, you did. Okay.
we crimped the edges first.
And then
Still the wrong tool.
used.
Oh, absolutely the wrong tool. But it was like one of those situations where either we do it this way or it's not coming apart. And Kevin, the unit was already drained. Kevin drained sucked the R22 out of it a while ago. At the AC meet in 2024 AC meet, he did that for me. So I'll probably have to see if I can have Kyle braze it together or let it sit until get it together and get it all ready for either Kenny or Kyle, whoever has time to do it first.
You have no interest in learning that stuff?
I do, but I don't have the time to dedicate to it, man. I really don't. I know that might sound like a freaking excuse, and maybe it is, but like for me to actually really sit down and like really
Get into
really
it.
learn it and keep doing it until
to get good and yeah. 'Cause it's definitely a skill and a talent, and something that takes time.
like I said, I don't want to be guessing either. I want to know my shit and know what I'm doing. Like you can watch YouTube videos on it, but a lot of those guys are just they're just trial and error guessing or whatever. It's like I mean there are some people that really do know their shit too, but again, those guys are going to go in graphic detail as they should, and
Tell me what
Yeah.
we're doing here, just spaced out.
yeah, I have more confidence now in rebuilding one of these myself.
So did you happen to do the revarnish the windings then? At least the ends?
No, I didn't
No?
see anything that was loose, so I
Okay.
don't. Then it's not worth messing with.
Now, what's all involved with that?
You just spray the varnish on the windings.
That's it.
Yeah, it's very simple. Is he dying?
Fire to sneeze.
He'll be alright. Man! Yeah, alright. Hey, so it sounds like someone's getting slaughtered up there, man.
Yeah, that was a rough sneeze.
You ever sneeze when you were taking a freaking piss before?
Yeah.
It freaking hurts.
Yep.
Can't say I've ever had that problem.
You don't want to, it sucks.
Yeah, I could attest to that.
Copyright.
Was Jethro Tull, thick as a brick. Dun, 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 dun.
still have your sheep over there on the counter.
Well,
That's
for
great.
box fan videos.
That sheep reminds me of the ones from Wallace and Gromit.
Wallace and Gromit are
Oh God.
showing the sheep. Please.
Never mind tomorrow. I do want to do that video with those box fans though tomorrow.
Oh,
That'd
yeah,
be freaking funny.
Yeah, we should.
Brain rot 101.
That's what that is.
Yeah, that's going to be the caption of the video. Brain rot 101.
And you know what the sad part is?
Yeah, you get some.
That's
views
going to
there.
get a lot of views.
Probably. I'm kind of curious to see how different fans, different blade designs act to it.
Yeah, I mean that's not full brain rot because there is something interesting behind it.
There's
It'll be
some.
But it's
cool,
not
though.
like this where we're using skills
ones
that
that- the
we've
ones like-
developed and
The ones that I can't get behind are the people that have YouTube channels and all they do is destroy shit. How is destruction draw as much attention as it does? Like you got that one jackass, what's his name, Smash Things 1 or something like that.
Yeah, Robert Bergen,
Yeah, that guy.
an Australian guy.
And all he does, he takes like perfectly good working fans, pieces of
That's a
appliances and
waste.
shit like
No,
that.
he's
Total
It's a
waste.
jackass.
Yeah.
It's actually disrespectful, is what it is. If you think about it.
And he wouldn't do that if it was, he couldn't monetize it. It's all money.
Yeah, but some of those fans he does that to are worth money.
Yeah. He claims that he can never sell them, like nobody wants to,
Bullshit.
buy them.
he bought them initially.
Yeah. So
Yeah, they're not pulling out of thin air.
The sad part about it is I don't think he's lying. I think he's making more money
He
on the
is.
views from destroying them than he is. But at what point does freaking does like your conscience play a part? Because I'd actually feel guilty about doing that. I could see if it was like like if you were going out and buying a brand new in the box one and freaking doing something retarded like that. But even so, there's people out there that can't afford to buy that freaking fan but could
Right.
use one.
Yep.
That
And
is
you're
true.
instead of buying it for somebody and donating it to like a freaking charity or something like that, you're gonna be out there freaking destroying it. So either way, there's no justifiable reasoning behind that.
There's not. It's just pure wastefulness.
That's pretty cool. Cameron 2 Plus, it's blue. The blades on it are blue. If I had to take a guess, that was probably a series. Yeah, it is. There's another Cameron 2 Plus. But
Yeah, those came in quite a few different finishes.
I like that Hunter.
Very,
with the
very good
green
fans.
box. I want to know what model that is.
Which one?
Hunter with the green box.
Does that
Well,
fan
that's
have
all
two
of them.
blades? Yeah, it does. That fan's got two blades.
Which one?
That one's got like a freaking gray one and a light blue one up front.
Yeah, I think it's a piece of garbage.
Oh, is it?
Horrible product.
Horrible.
But it's unique.
Yeah, it's interesting, but that's about as far as it goes.
Sometimes that's all it needs to be.
You have to make a sale. That's all you need.
Just
It got my attention. You guys turned me into somewhat of a freaking fan guy.
You're turning into a fan collector, whether you like it or not.
No, it's the same thing with Jordan turning to an AC collector. He didn't know it back then a few years ago.
Yeah.
And
I'm
all
not
of a
denying
sudden,
it.
Dude, I remember those Lascos. They're early to mid 1990s. The gray ones with the gray blades.
Yep.
Yep. I remember those
Yeah,
control
those are
panels.
mounted on the wall.
The control panels are the freaking same as the 60, not the 60, the late 70s ones. But I remember these two. The knobs should be on the back, I think.
right?
Yep. I remember those too. Like that freaking clear Homs twin window fan.
Yeah, that's cool.
You know, as many fans are down here, you know somewhere there's somebody that has more.
Oh yeah. There's people who have thousands of them.
Robbie Lawrence is probably one of them.
Yeah, he's got to be up there.
It's gonna be.
Tori, don't he have a shit ton of them?
Yeah, he's up there too. I think the only thing I would say I have the most of is the telephones, at least for that we know of.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of collectors that are, off the radar, as they say, and we don't know.
Yep.
We don't know what their collection.
That's
is.
what I was with the air conditioners. I thought for years I thought I was the only one.
Yeah, and then there's people like me who didn't get social media until they were 18, which is probably a very good thing.
So you were
Yeah,
watching. You were
I was
watching
watching
all
ever
along.
since I was like 12 years old.
Me and all my f bombs and shit like
Oh
that.
yeah.
I don't want you watching that air conditioner guy on that tube you no more. I want you to turn that off, son. You hear me? Hear what I'm saying?
That's why headphones were a very important part of my internet experience as a kid. And you don't need to hear nothing.
So how many new words did you learn from me?
I know the F word by then. Hearing it from other people around.
Did you know the I word by then?
What? Retard?
Rotorex?
Oh, retards.
Rotorex.
Nah.
Rotorex. R.
Oh.
T.
Oh,
Oh.
R.
E.
X. Rotorex.
Somebody say Rotorex?
Did somebody say Rotorex?
And oh look, there's Kevin. Say it 3 times.
K-Dog
and you
came
summon
back.
Kevin.
You close your eyes, light a candle, and spin around and say Rotorex 5 times. K-Dog will appear in the mirror
Like what?
holding a Rotorex,
Now it's a paranormal ritual.
wearing his ILG shirt.
Oh man.
AKA Spooky Pancake.
Do we know what the history is behind that name?
No, I think he did. I think he did tell me one time. I just forget. But sometimes it shows up as Kevin's Rack too, so I don't know if it's 2 different channels.
No, it's the same thing. It's a stupid,
Is that-
dumb
uh,
interface that this dumb website is put
I was-
together.
I was gonna say yeah. That's
Just,
kinda
how many
YouTube
channels
done.
do you have, Van? Because sometimes it comes up Van HVAC, sometimes it comes
They're all
up.
the same.
Yeah, no, I got 2.
Oh, you do it too.
Yeah, one was Van Air. I was gonna do something where I had a smaller audience, but I could just post strictly vintage units on it.
Okay.
Nobody would watch it.
That's kind of the
Hey,
point.
Besides,
Nobody
you
watches
know,
anything vintage. Same problem we're gonna have on this video.
Besides our community, no.
Yeah. Besides our
The most of the hours of this video watch reviews are going to be us.
Yeah, it's gonna be the dinner party.
dinner. Oh my god. Dave trying to make a freaking
Watch
sexual joke every 5 seconds.
Watch Pocket Tank's downloads will magically skyrocket.
Pocket tanks. Pocket
Why is our
let's
game
go.
doing so well all of a sudden? We haven't sold this many copies of this game in years. It's like, yeah, I saw it on the Jordan U and the air conditioner guy channel. And then our freaking views will go up because Pocket Tank's advertising for us. See, it's like a trade deal.
Yeah. That's why I said, what is the company the Polish should sponsor?
Sponsor the channel.
I can get you on the radio. Good for a fair price.
True.
$10.
I don't know about $10, but I'm thinking about advertising our AC meet on the radio.
I don't know how much.
You want
You
that
have to
many-
weigh the pros and cons of that.
Well,
pretty heavily.
then you gotta be able to host that many people.
Yeah, you'll have everybody and your freaking mom showing up then.
Yeah, I'm not sure that you want to make it that public.
Yeah, that's nice. Look at that.
Minty. Got good end play, good everything.
Yeah, it's
Relatively
pretty
thin spec.
copacetic.
Copacetic. Yeah.
Gotta be right.
You got where I'm going with that, don't you? Local H found to the floor.
Yeah, that's copyright.
It's copy.
Ah, yeah,
That's all Jordan cares about.
we're getting knocks for that one.
You have to turn on a Rotorex to drown you out.
Yeah, how about it? This little thing's pretty neat. It's like one of those old school freaking you'd have it on like your desk.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I
Oh,
want one of those.
$5, dude. That's crazy.
Steel.
Oh, it's definitely a steal.
Glass.
Glass
steel.
too.
Yeah, no,
Man.
I want one of those.
This is freaking neat.
Cool.
You know, what's this actually worth? Probably, definitely more than $5.
They're very common.
Really?
It's worth what someone's willing to pay. There's no. I don't have an answer for what stuff is worth in terms of market value for anything really.
There's some
Like, if
things
you
though
can-
that are definitely worth more than others.
If you can find it for free, then it's free.
I would say if it's new old stock, it's worth whatever the original retail price was plus inflation. But
That's actually a pretty fair.
Assessment. Yeah.
once you start having stuff that's used, I don't know. You'll find somebody who will pay a ridiculous amount of money for pretty much anything, and that's how stupid eBay survives. People listings on there for stupid prices with stupid lies and descriptions and whatever in the description.
People fall for it.
People fall for it. The items sit for years and years until finally somebody comes along that's just got money to burn and buys it. I can't.
The other thing too is it gives other sellers that have the same thing a false idea of what it's worth.
Yes.
So then everybody thinks that receivers are big for that, or especially lately. Someone will have a freaking just because it says the word Marantz on there, they think it's worth $2,000, and it'll be like the model 2220 that has like a measly 20 watts per channel, and they'll be charging 2,600 prices for it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
or
is an
a,
issue.
SR8000.
They're cool.
Oh, they have one. It just
Got the big VU meters. They're early 80s. But still got the gyro tuning, right?
Yeah, gyro tuning. The left.
Send it out for a freaking recap. Does it work?
Besides the left audio channels out or something like that, I gotta look back at my neighbor's email. But
Yeah, I would see if you can get a recap.
all right, yeah.
That's a good stereo receiver.
It's good. And my grandfather, he's got some Dyna kits in his house.
Oh, okay. I think you were saying, yeah.
Yep. He's got a Grundig radio as well.
Okay.
Sherwood stereo receiver. Bunch of
Sherwood.
cool shit.
Nice.
He's all the way in South Carolina, so I can
Oh, he
just
is?
go
Really?
from his house.
Oh, nice.
And he's got that, I believe it's a late 40s LAU belt drive attic fan.
Okay. Oh,
Because my grandfather got it from his father, and he was born in like 1897.
yeah. Okay. So yeah, he would have been old enough and around to buy something like that
Yep.
back in the
Yeah,
day.
so I want to put that in the kitchen or something during the spring.
Okay. Nice. Guess the motor shell wasn't lined up correctly.
Nope.
It's canceling itself out. Binding up.
Self-canceling motor.
I suppose all
Another
motors
good
are
video title.
eventually.
The tale of the self-canceling motor. And people will watch through 2.5 hours to find out why, only to find out that it was all bullshit the whole entire time.
That's
Well,
actually
if
what you should
something
title the
breaks,
video.
Technically, it's self-canceling.
Actually, yeah, so it's not exactly as false
Pretty
as
much
you
everything is self-canceling eventually.
think. No, now it's planned. They have it set to die in a predetermined amount of time.
That's a predetermined cancel.
Premature cancellation. Premature cancellation.
That's a good album, man.
Yo, it is. That could be a new Steel Panther album. They lost their touch, dude. They had so many good songs back and like funny, but I kind of feel like they're trying to. Like before, all their songs seemed like they came naturally. Now you can tell they ran out of material and they're just trying too hard to be what they were 15, 20 years ago, and it's just not that. I mean, with all honesty, you're with content like that, you're going to run out of material.
We're not going to run out of material.
We're not, no.
If you got me around, you're not.
That's debatable.
I don't know. I've been keeping it up so far, so.
All in favor of making Dave a permanent part of the show, leave a comment. Aye.
Hi. I don't know. I'm like, how far am I away from there? Let me check.
My stomach's growling again.
Oh, jeez. Directions to my house. Oh, 2 hours and 48 minutes.
That ain't too bad.
No, that's pretty good.
It sucks making this drive by yourself, though. I mean, I've done it.
I mean,
It's boring,
that's-
though.
I do it
That's-
every year.
Yeah, I know you do.
It's kind of my job, so.
Yeah, this is probably nothing for you. to
Right,
make this
it's like, you know, it's like going.
Yeah, when
from-
you have somebody to bullshit with the whole
No,
entire
that makes it a lot
time.
better.
Oh, yeah, it does make it a lot better.
I mean, this is kind of like 248. That's like me coming from. I think how was long? I don't know. I came from Tulcanic down to Burlington, New Jersey. That was a long drive.
Burlington, that's down by my old area. It's down by
Yeah.
Bristol.
Yep. It was 160 miles one way. Took from a P&G warehouse to an Amazon warehouse.
Now, where is it? Where'd you start at?
The Tulcanic
That's up by Scranton.
Pass.
Yeah.
Way past. That's north and west. In fact, the warehouse is like 5 miles outside of town.
Oh.
Good run. 'Cause I took 476 from where it started up in Wilkes-Barre. Well, I didn't go all the way down because I took a 276 east.
I'd say that's a success, wouldn't you?
Yeah, this is
fine
pretty
tuning.
good.
That's probably pretty hard to do to get the shells to line up perfectly so the shaft is concentric.
Yeah, especially because this is a little bit worn out.
More, yeah. So it's got more slot.
Oh,
than-
a little bit worn
Now,
out.
half the idea was
This
taking out was
one's-
cleaning all the build-up shit that built up in there over the years, right? That's
Yeah,
part of it.
That was a good part of it.
Man, yeah.
So I'd say this video actually was pretty educational all around.
Yeah, if anybody cared to watch it.
Hello, the one person.
That's a sad reality of it, but the people that do watch it usually really appreciate the kind of stuff. So there's a trade-off.
Right.
There is.
This is running pretty good now. I'm content with that.
Yeah, hell yeah.
I guess we should probably power it up just to make sure it's still working.
All right,
Let's
let's do it. Let's clean up down here first.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good with that. Putting some power to it. See if it works.
Well, it's been tampered with, and
Yeah,
stuff
that
that's 40 years old doesn't want to be messed with anymore.
just like that Philco Ford motor. Worked in its original unit, you pull it out, and it's like, no, I'm gonna die.
That was not the equipment's fault. That was I don't want to write it down. Fault.
Well, I think someone put juice in the wrong terminal, and that's what kind of killed it. Because it did try to work though.
To this day, I'm just convinced it wasn't hooked up properly.
Okay.
I don't see how it could break if you just plug it in.
It doesn't make sense, but sometimes stuff's like that. The mysteries of the universe. It doesn't make sense, but it just
Yeah.
it
You
just
haven't been to my
happens.
house since I got it working right, have you?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
she's nice. That nice that until I walk outside, I forget that it's running. Sometimes it's that quiet. The fan's that quiet.
That's good. Wow. Good outcome.
It's all in the horsepower.
Yep.
The RPM to a certain extent, but the horsepower is what. Well, RPM range gotta be close enough, and then the horsepower is what really
Yeah, but also those superpowers, they got some real good pitch on the blades.
they do. Yeah, and they do
That's
it
I think it legitimately makes a fucking 90. Or
pretty
just shy of
damn
that.
close to it. Yep.
Yeah, they pull the air through the condenser.
Yep. And push it through
Look
the
at that.
propeller.
What's the problem with that? It's worked fine for me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, the condenser never gets plugged up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Minty.
Like I said, and of course, just like that fan we saw earlier, that will, I imagine it will free up even better over time after you
Yep.
run it and break it in.
Yep.
It does have that, seem like it has that one little spot where it does grip, but like I said, when it's running, it ain't gonna.
Well, keep in mind too, the bearing is worn, so
Oh, yeah.
it's not going to be perfect.
Now, if there's a way to change the bearings in these,
You can get people who will machine a new one, but that's way beyond what I have the tools
Yep.
to do,
Okay.
and it's probably not worth the cost of machining a new bearing.
so you have to
for it.
machine them. That's not like a freaking factory when you can just buy a
No,
replacement.
well,
for it.
because this is worn down, so you have to machine it to the size it is now, not the factory spec.
Oh. So you'd be replacing the shaft and everything too. If
You
were
would
gonna
have
do
to
that.
get someone to measure the size of that shaft, and then yes,
It's
it could be
doable,
done,
yeah.
but it's not something that makes any sense.
It's the question: how much money do you want to throw at it?
It would probably exceed the cost of buying a new motor.
Easily, yeah.
At that point, I was buying a new motor. But
Yeah.
we don't have to. It's still got some life in it yet.
If I run for another 20 years, who knows?
I hope it does.
Me too.
But if it doesn't, there's really no shame for it.
No, it owes us nothing at this point. Here's what the ceiling looks like.
Yeah, some fans. And wood.
Plastic.
Even the doors ripping ass. I don't understand case it is.
It is.
Alright, so she does have a little bit of a kick to her.
A
That's
little.
got some weight to it, man. Well,
Yeah,
any
it's a good
quality,
machine.
any quality machine will. Alright. We have the 220 line ready to rock and roll. 5
of the watts.
Just plug into the regular.
How much power is taken?
That's funny. What is it drawing? What's that charger using?
7, 8, 7.5 watts.
That ain't bad. That must be an energy efficient phone.
Oh, good. Energy efficient. That's all that
We
matters.
gotta plug the.
It's a crackle after.
We just gotta plug this in, Dave. If you could. Actually, you know what? Let me freaking hook this. That makes sense, wouldn't it?
You want to do it the boring way this time?
Yeah.
I did-
My battery's running pretty low now, dude. I'm at like 10. I got like 10% left. All right.
Are we good to make this live?
Yep.
All right.
Doesn't sound the greatest, but it is working.
It'll self-clearance eventually.
Yeah.
It'll break itself in. Don't sound bad now.
No.
I'm good with it.
Alright.
Kill it.
Yep. The wine now is better than I expected with no blade
Yeah.
on it.
Well, that is a huge rotor in there. It's got a lot of mass.
Massive. Yes.
Okay.
Well,
Well,
I
the
don't think
motor is
there's anything really else to say.
successfully.
This motor's going to go, not today, I'm done, but this motor is going to sit right here next to its, this is a unit that it goes to, obviously.
Oh, that's not necessarily obvious.
Oh, well, yeah. Well, yeah, it's in the video description.
Well, nobody reads that.
Description, what's that?
But yeah, this thing is pretty minty now, what it should be. It's a brand new base pan. If you guys haven't been following this series and no one's following,
We should have put this on for the test.
we could have. I really don't feel like losing a finger tonight's not really in my,
It's only
In my-
plastic.
itinerary for the night. But yeah, another case. It's been a while since I showed a data plate for this unit, so I don't know if on that one it's 20,000 BTU, EER of 9, which for a high capacity like that is not at all bad.
That's pretty good.
It's like really good. Like. Me.
And it's a solid USA, good old USA quality unit. So it's totally worth, I'm just glad I was able to help. This is his actual childhood unit. I'd kill for mine. So the fact that I'm able to help somebody out, that's what it's about for me.
That is pretty neat.
So yeah, I don't think he's crazy at all for wanting me to go through this effort to get this fixed, because I would do the same thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess we started these at the same time. May as well end them. So we
Yeah.
do it on the count of three. 3,
1, 2,
2, 1.
3.